idea or make that in some kind or can say any idea or model. Omobekofa F moving machines bia de abaho de ababaye a quine during the election. So I know, sir, in no time that conversation is just going to be on right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. So I want us to listen to Ayankomo. I mean, Rashid Computer Tanku ADA.
They should give them and give us copy. But you see, when we talk of National Election Security Task Force and your police and Kwao, National Security, and your police, look, immigration, Fire Service, almost, your friend almost said, prison service, almost, they are part of it. It's military, almost, they are part of it. National Security Secretary, they are part. This is what we call National Election Security Task Force. But the lead among them is the police. The police takes the lead. It is only when they are overwhelmed, then they can invite the other agencies to assist them. So when you are talking of National Election Security Task Force, police and Kwa.
Okay, so let me take you back to the Ablekuma rerun. Now, I was our election as no. Was there a National Security Task Force, and it for that matter, were there soldiers over there?
No, and no Namika, I know say. When you are talking of National Election Security Task Force, this is the body. But normally, it's the police who take the lead. It is when the police need the assistance of the other agencies, then they cannot invite them. What do I say? So if the police doesn't need the assistance, they won't invite them. They can handle it. But at the time we met, Paul said, police, more countries say they have men to take care of the place, and they even on the other side. Then NDCC the right hand side of the park. No, yes. It was so lovely. They are blowing their vehicle with music. All our group were blowing their music. We came away all laughing at each other. I don't know people. They would now cry because they want to be party officials campaigning all over on air and TV. They won't come to the ground to look for votes because they are going to lose.
But Dr. Rashid Tankwe, from the elections we have observed previously in this country, internal securities. The MPP have said, they would also use their internal security. Ron Richard Ahiagba, Director of Communications, is on record to have said so. And again, I'm asking, mobile use internal security to beef up what the national or the Ghana Police. All right, so Abusha for Sabre Yakwakwiti Asisia, na yeni Chief Azoka Edin Komo, and of course, yenyanitiase, mintimi wasibi esi ewo ho, na den ene kofa baye, nkoba we nyina no twegu. Sesia live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Chief Azoka, yamakwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM. Let's say Bibi Aboko there.
Bibi Aboko.
Now, me pacho akwetiate saying CCA.
Oh, akwetia de Aboko.
But na be share videos we say na akwa say. I said na when you break they said na wo kasa no. Minim adekudia e ba ya na say bufuo no aba we mu na wo kasa. Me pacho na ye den na.
Me patcho. Oh, pesa wa. Obi no pesa on ya party mpenyo fo. O ni se ya nya breno. No kasa peace. This is your maza. O mi no start pesa on ya party. Na bi say I masa o ya small boy. O masa wudu. We a small boy, and you say, Yefa, the Bian Twinchel, unimi, Uma Saud unimi, me life 80. I'm warning you. What's it mean to me warning?
Me patro, Masa would be now can answer me.
Tell a MPP vice chairman.
Oh, okay, Matthias, and it was I've been in the power. Well, I not sense. Why? Ain't you bet me?
That's such a tall.
Not sense.
No. You see, who want to take it time there? Anytime me appetite to fight. we are too small in mommy. Okay, so me did grow. We are paying for anytime we are paying for. We are police. We are paying for. Remember, sir? Yeah.
Make a job. Me pacho na asembe important na okay ya na ufi say na ya tem didie ma mo mpanyimfo.
Asem no oka bahato na me stop no.
Debi ukasa okasa by heart a ye tie for person ehu asem important a eye Masewood e kan ya ni senti no na usuma bufu ye chief asuka wadawma. Wallahi kana yin dariya ni
Allah
wallahi kaka yin dariya
yeah wasi mi banko school but obrofo na yen nyina ka no wo abofu nye misumi English nye first time I want to say chele masa uji agro one day me ni wo ye be ku a obia beti mi no wasem o ma wonu no sa aha your police station or whom you are not more when you say obi ho ye the mic sino so or person cast and phone or cast and phone na me gina ho they say hey, look you second warning engineer asem no buy no what you say
na a media house bi na interview na oka sambia na office asem no na ento asumu na ya tem didie ma mo mpanyimfo ana
it am a warning
anti warning bana
obe kasefo a basa ti se me be se me yawa minim se wo ya metima bu ma yawa ana me boa ontimi bu obi no ma ya no
to na
politician just a politician any time yenya sundue
na
any time we ya penny for that's a take time inti mi makachire no okafia mi hunu a any time mi no fight any time mi hunu a fight other public or hygiene masa yenya abrio
na sa ukasa be bacho so far suka sa ukasa when ya bre pa dia now we see anytime there fighting kwa dia ya just
yeah penny for no jamin kachiro or yeah penny for a chair anytime fight other public or hiding sana makachiro no
na we enye be bacho
is sorting our leaders
enye hunahuna na ode hunahuna no
dabi enye hunahuna masa uzi mi hunahuna mi hunahuna okay
ba ya just eye o boys ne baako e bo Masewood asum sa asem we no ya pase ya tifiri wo nchen eye no kra na se na enye no kra
oze o enyami
onye nyame ntino asumbo no de oje
maza me catcher me see o ye penyo for no ye ka wo radio mu anywhere public or no public what you say me catcher say he should stop insulting leaders of the NDC.
But so Masewood, me see Masewood. Ora so far so okay. That's a edu sara. You bet me I can say. So when you abo take akra. O mema na ba ko. O mema na ba ko ball. Aye Masewood asum no.
One kasa. Me ni abutra ka adene ye pese ye no e be brusa. Ya si abutra man. Onu kasa onim. Masewood a small boy. Me senior chair Masewood. Bisano
na obi be bisa say honorable Afenyo Makins so ase yehu eye mfonyi bi wo wa ase na ase obu afu de pa
me only say me ye ba no me office na me call coalition centers me monitor ye ba no na wa ba ho abetiti ye candidate to no poster na obi anyo no nim say yen nyina ya ko What do you say?
Me pacho. Asam na any person team no crazy. Honorable Afenyo Markins nankasa. And a quantity posters na say one
minute call no. Masa call no bisan. Call no bisan. We dey call no bisan say one net fa omo titi your posters.
And in branch any be na quantity posters no ho.
Masa, we your branch na in the one catch is me boy above bi aso.
Yeah.
One friend boy no one catch me atoka. Sana efenya market. Why lucky say ni ho. Sana catch am say why lucky me banko MPP party office. Me or me party office. Now what through party office now be titi posters. What you say?
Na say about one concern would you be say mo be kunima
the bia security the bia security come be bia police station bia security it's so far so good but omo cross by a party office there basa yen jaomo
na sa so na mo so mo nko party office nko pe bibia ho.
Oh, Debbie. Hello. Who party office? Yes, you enter your party office. When say be any party office, now be your candidate poster. Look at say bejayo.
So for Azuka, Mungori. Obaya, none of ID.
Ose.
Me from Obaya, on you, Miss.
Prof.
Oh,
Majoso.
Debut. Now, show me him say, yeah. I'm glad you ever see you.
Oh,
because when me a fed.
Oh,
so what years of Azuka?
Me pacho metien pa.
Let's just say, what enya bro die no nkodi o.
Aye, but Prof.
Yes.
Na medika ka asem we say, omo ye mpanyufo. Enti ye be stress se na etie bia ye pasumdwe. Police for ye wo mo afamu.
We dem pacho so ma be na me kwa ahoma so na me ne menua be Masawodu. Mi ankasa mi menua be mi twotwo mu ntwo no ye nyina atachima na ne wo. And now he is the second National Vice Chairman of the New Patriotic, third National Vice Chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Masawodu, yaba akwa ba na pop to say.
Yamiadum.
Yo.
Alaji de.
Alaji de, abochide. Ayo, yare, lafia lo. Agwe lafia.
Mungo de Allah.
Yeah, mungo de Allah ne. Na akwetia hot senses here as we speak in terms of security. Any about why ekoso no say no. Enkomo be na betimi de abohen.
The edikai maminchia Dana tie for nama tia asempa atie for nyina.
Me pato sompa
atie for nyina. Jadi kai maminchia MPP for our Ghana. Baby starting from polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, regional executives, and national executives. Especially the Eastern Regional Executives, Omar demonstrating competency, competence and commitment to the New Patriotic Party. Ajima pa omoboma awo akotia waha. Minua abochi.
Yay.
Akotia se sia de minu kanu akotia bebia aye boko. Bebia aye ku. Utakwabia wa kami bi bia ni ho ohwe sesi ano as a national third vice chairman no me in charge of all the Akotia Zongo's police station no ohona omu station no.
All right.
Ohona bebia mbe supervise na ohwe bebia su gidigidi na omu dinisa gidigidi wo honum no zongo honum no. Omodi Alaji Masoduba. But here, as me zongo, me do honum no, bebre ayaminiamo.
Yeah.
no munina sum baako me gidi say anka party entity ana party emma yan yera fi sum na yankun ntakwa wo party so but the embetima catch o say akotia de sesia as me no kanu de bibia adadin
ya beda nyame ase say bibia adadin na wodi sofo azuka den e koba ya yenya ntie say ne boys baako edre ne nsa ebo wasumu den e bae
de bae say azoka ya no enu kire say ya nim say nipa dia wunyini na wadwini so nyini ana wunyi obi a wonyini bia o ajumpa that azoka dia the more onyini no ne the more ne jimi no so
debi na say also asama na okay master wood walai one mangana de shire mumbari
okay my choice wonim anapa maybe start say me say abatuo awo akotia zongo number 3 no sa police station no uhwe all the zongos no ohona MPP tanya vote pa so mi wo ho na migrant interview oya na mi hu azoka be nimbe bia ofri oba ya no o start attacking oba ya kura o kasa kura na mi ni de mi nim say agro because mi ni ye di agro ohunu mi no say your mother na mi say your mother onim o see mi tina radio so mi ta bibia me bu ofu na mi see your mother so ohunu mi no say hey your mother na mi to say hey your father na I ta agro na mi no odi so mi ya interview no mi ni di agro na mu na mi say oh azoka kura ni ye say yan ko tamale anka me hasa na azoka musu say omu mba akotia anka na agro ni ye de enu anu na ade ami ka enu no see your mother nikura okasa your mother kura me ndidi na tem because onim the man mean ndidi azoka tem say akotia edadin takwabia ni ho me mpese media station for media for fa bibi to say Alaji Masaudu na azoka akosi problem awo akotia me mpese ombeka say ntafo ana siremfo eko akotia eko kontakwa tambia santakwa sem na ye ntafo na ye dimba mo so oba ye no the more odidi matem no obia hun clear odidi matem me mandili na tembia na me say oh azoka you are my brother why are you doing that oh yeah to some extent me say no akwa we were serious time there me so me bu ofu no not knowing that the boys no na ba ku bomachi obo e kwa ojo ni ye me bomachi so eno
me pacho e hono man yanya ntiase ni ye obo wechi anase obo wasum me pacho obo wechi anase obo wasum
okay me no wan say girigidlu ya no me kwa mo say ni video na ansa na me hu say obi bo me na me nim say kwa odipa no nipa no kwa bo because girigid na ya no me ti say obi di no saka me
ba ne nsa na wo de ka wo no odi bo wasum anase fa potin na odi boy
o video no o tiramachi na obo masu odina nsa bo masu
na chese odi fi wechi and odi shi wasum oh okay
my kid odi bo on ba me manim straight me kura na me huru after do mo send no video no mame na we abema wo bo me no ada na wo joni e ada na wo joni we abema wo bo me no anka jina so me azoka ya no eno no entimi ma ye put fear and panic to the new patriotic party say yan joni fi akotia na dia no pe eno ka ho onim de okaye o si ono ba akotia
Alaji
o me ti so say mi na afonyo obekum mi na afonyo awo akotia wa ha
Hey, okasa no.
What's clear? The video the whole country afanyo say afanyo kura ye lucky say oba e no anko to afanyo baby ami wo ha anka sesi a omo prepare say omo ye by election our afanyo constituency.
Because Matisa asem no na sesi a na ye ne ni di nkomo sesi a e no kire say aya afanyo makins ene ne mrantie eba aya NDC party officer ewa kwetia ho eno mbetete omo posters ni senti no ene ma ne bufu ye a okeka sansem no
anya na kure so obi eba o party headquarters who have afanyo as a majority leader MP na ye by election no to me call NDC party headquarters no to omo poster anya tro na obi yesa police for nyina how many police they were akotia want to be reporting my police. This is not true. I question omudi onim omo agenda say omo bra ye strongholds no omo cause confusion earlier so that it will scare the people so that the people will not come and vote because the way omo say your strongholds no the massive conform me no can who have one Jesus here conform kasa omo betu about omo 5 out of the also just stronghold sign omo person omo ti so omo person omo hu ye stronghold so no mo cause confusion na conform na scale conform na conform ntimi mba betu aba so the oya no sanka bidi mi sakano na ye ntakwa na honum no na ye deja na conform no sky don't to me betu aba na nyame so nya de haye no so me nim se ntakwa na odiba wo because me no nim se wo ye mebra me no tasa edi aguro so aye sa no me ka cha me say oh we are my brother until akwa no di ni se kaminu na me say no nkrofo we nya brother sem
wouldn't because I mean try no so many would many so far so kai di nkomo no okache me say woni ni ye mu ye nuanom na mu kra no mu nyina no kra no mu nhye da nte borofo papa enti mu nyina mu ye nuanom asama oka
ono na ko school be na ati borofo nobody is perfect in English but me ko school me want me certificate me kira the other now no on ko school yes school kwa even local makaranta eyefu yantie sky ekono azoka wonko bida oya kramoni be on kramasum no kwa on tiasie oya nipa onim na nim onim nichi ono de
debut and you know some way I buy say we are the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. No mean a position. This position is one of the greatest positions within the rank and file of the New Patriotic Party. And we say wakase Afenyo Makins and yebeko by elections on the constituency. Asam we no asam we do. MPP amanyoku no Sabri. What decision would you be taking as far as statement as Sofo Azuka are making? I see it as a threat. Do you also see it as a threat to Afenyo Makins?
Me no kano. Yeah. My dika akoye official complaint our Akotia police station against utterances oka say ono obekumi Afenyo Makin kura ko be hu Afenyo Makin wa ha and ko be ku Afenyo Makin ko be by election our another by election our the constituency no I've reported it even time the oka no minimum takwano SCA just about 20 minutes na IG baho so IGP kasa baho ama me ko IGP ho straight ebona amanie so minim say ma taking the first steps no I say me reporting to the police station ya awa apocha na party nim kasa ya ba party nim kasa be junu party nim kasa be si ejuni NPP as a whole that utterances no na we coin dia yenu azoka befa so and I coin dia police for the so much they say I say almost reactive because so because say obe kunipa omeba election ni fie de we asam no mu edu we asam no mu edu pa say it needs investigation.
All right.
Other person, the national third vice chairman and the minority leader, say NDC national vice chairman say obeku omudie. I say omuyeden, you investigate it.
All right.
That is the problem now.
Okay. Okay. So now we can establish, say, Apenyo Makins and then Mrantier through this communication. I only uni edi wa hasisi another say. Oman koho say womu kwa kotete NDC candidate in the posters.
Dabi obwa. The way no I ferry man because a community say wo. Na oba be yes sa ferry asem no. Me so me share me age no na me de me respect age no na me so me nim say ebi ntakwa na odi ba e na me ja no nya sa azoka omodi me gina ho na di wu gina ho me so mu me nu me nsaba ko onduru 30 minutes wo be jusu gu o nema mo wo azoka.
Hey, me ba to say then?
Yes, me say me so mu me di me say so azoka say obe jusu gu ne trust mo.
Hey,
me kanu mintifio miti akwatia sesia menim say wote sesia no first no na nim say nyina ye brothers dey nam
ba sasam na so ka sesia say wo de won sa so sofo azoka bu sesia obadwunso agu ne ho. Hey, na wa say na okay Masoud
say violent there yeah change violent I respect ne ye pese akwatia anya din yan pese tambia omuti say oh ntafo kuntakwa siremfo kuntakwa mu no ordinance mu kuntakwa enu na me pese ye din ko abontin sa ena me man respect o kasa me ye din no
we dia obi beka say say uhwe ejokwa we a koso wo hobitin woni azoka one mu ye enuanom ana secondly be ba no mamanyeku ni nyina mu a so no moye vice chairman of the parties. And again, or say wosaso nua na mo nyina akra so mo nteborofo. So what I say. Na ntia ko ba de say dia. Na e de say nua no nua de ye adwuma ho.
You say any nyina nteborofo no. The kind of English me mbet be aka no. Azoka cannot speak that kind of English. And I was like, no one educated person. So, about three.
So I like to share Mungori. Now, until be a better from Biana, like a bunch of answer. Why? I wish I thought what is many. The second national vice chairman of the new Patriotic Party. Alaji Masoud and anti-Semitic didn't come on. Oh, bye. Yay! So what's your word about?
Mate.
Now then, I'm with you.
On say, I said, no make us say, Omuyenrianum, confirm, so Omuyenrianum.
Yeah.
Same for the minim seminar was we seminar. Yenrianum.
Sure.
Yen free ebusuan bakum cry. Same fonty. So I think I was so mujani maybe. Yes. We a by election. Inti minim sebia bako ewo ne yonko ho adwin bi dada. Ebi omodika e bibi wo enchen dada ansa na wo mbehie mu dia.
But what you mun kasa ne musu a. I say bibia say ni ho. Because I said, "Oh, kasa omo hu kra na." I say, "We see your mother, we see your father." Ente agua
ente dey na ama na akwache gasa we no aba ewa akotia ho.
So far as ka say, omo abetete omo posters omo party office. Afenyo market say the brand here. Abetete omo posters omo party office. Assembly nyina no. Ne fara ba nyina no. Ana so far as ka so esa ka say. Baby Masoud Wejina bia no NDC mpanyimfo didi o matem sa de no onyai so wenyai ende wallahi shiri mungamu
omo ye mpanyimfo prof omo ye mpanyimfo
omo sa so ya alaje na alaje
what you say nti
obi asa ko beka
nti mu mpanyimfo na mo ye say no enkwada na omo akire no e de no mbeye enkwada na ya mo mbetimi abeka so omo nyai na because mu ye mpanyimfo mo achase nti e wo say omo jai sa ade no ye pa asundue nti we na mo ye no emfa asumdwe ne mba prof
obapa me da
emfa asumdwe ne mba
me da se pass why me da se ana betena se kakra yeah
My friend, you be share.
But say you be share edware ho.
O say
you be share edware ho.
Eh, prof.
Na say that's also kai. Na say then na usanya afterthought. And na o ka che for say edware ho.
You be share we tire ho.
Baby edware no.
Oh, there be.
Na o say yesu so no na edware wo dan echi.
Ni echire.
Dan echi.
O ma ye yibi.
Oma yi bu bobo yi. Eho ni ye be share.
Mati mensro.
Wala wala. Oba padi o.
Prof ni.
Oba padi o. Oba padi o.
Yes, o te so papa.
Sir.
We show do.
Oh.
Eje no ho me na.
For God. For country.
Eje no ho me na.
I say abele was mo aba no. Sir. Wo abele was mo aba na. Ejina so say. Chain.
Obidion.
Ti say the wo hu bi da no. Ti say the wo hu bi da no.
From Bache, I can answer more.
That's it. Oba pass on by. SOMPA 106.5 FM. But now, because it's here, let's go to the board. Now, there's some analysis we'd want to do. Akwetia constituency elections. With but mutie on Facebook. And I'm mutie yeng sisi akra. Mo betimi akwa Facebook wall. There's some nice work we have done for you to know, sir. SOMPA for God and country. And you know, my guest in studio, Holali Ewaha Sasuna, Emmanuel Ewaha. Na Inonga. Mama Boran.
Eba Mora cry.
Bright.
Any bright, I producer, Eba Mora. Who speak? Then I after this.
Yellow Benny.
After the program.
No, Yellow Benny.
Yellow Chibi.
No, in a yellow.
No. We are on air.
We are on air.
Yeah.
Oh.
Off air.
Okay.
But not a big deal.
Okay, Mati. Oh, for God and country. All right, so you know, Facebook page is here, Patrol. We'll try and do some analysis of some trends over here. Now, share the likely outcome. Okay, so we are good to go. Akwetia Constituency elections 2020, 2024 parliamentary and presidential elections. Eastern Region, Ghana. We've done some comprehensive analysis with data visualizations. Yes, so Patrol, I call the next slide. Share. And of course, there's the constituency overview. If you're Eastern Region, wow, we'll have over 50,000 plus voters in the 2024 elections. And then again, you see, that's the Eastern Region. And then let's see, we have total elections since 1992 and 9. And of course, NPP versus NDC. The historical records are there for you to see. Patrick, then call the next slide. Okay, that's fine. So the parliamentary results, it is. Maybe I'm sure it's from what me up on Facebook walls is here. Parliamentary results, over to me, a Facebook walls is here, and it is clearly shown over there. The green color depicts the NDC, and then the red color depicts the New Patriotic Party. But then, of course, Usha, the MPP's candidate then, in the, I believe this one, it was in the 2020 elections, I guess it is. Yes, 2020 elections, Edujen Samson, he stood in for the New Patriotic Party. Now, your total votes are 22,981, and then Baba Jamal, and so Osha board no so here. Baba Jamal and 14,923. So the NPP achieved the largest victory margin in Akwetia's history. The margin of victory, now 8,058 votes. And the total valid votes, 37,900. So, and Patrick, let's go to the next slide now. And also, you call the next slide. Brawichi. Okay, so for the 2024 elections, and also parliamentary election results. And again, the green depicting the NDC, and then the red also depicting the New Patriotic Party. Yansha NS Kumi. Vote Dudu Wunyaye in the 2024 elections. When you're 19,269, and of course, Yadom Boache Henry, then Enya 17,206. And of course, I'll share the percentages in terms of votes now. 52% as against 47%. But if I make the next slide. Now, Nyabutremame, the victory, the victory margin reduced. Yakaya, Bakodona victory margin there was, but this time it reduced to 2,063 votes. Now, Pacho, let's go to the next. The next slide. Okay. So, vote share comparison for the NDC and then for the New Patriotic Party is there. For NPP, the red is for NPP, green is for the NDC. NPP vote share change, negative 7.8%. What it means, we'll be telling you, plus 7.8% NDC vote share change. That was in the year 2020. And then let's look at the 2024. The margin reduction, we have minus 5,995, and then the total vote, total vote change, was negative minus 1,429. So let's go to the next AE. So this is what it is. The presidential the other day, who saying but we would need a year presidential results as against parliamentary. You just say akwetiafono what we said that actually say okay, ye to my president intino. So no I was here to my your friend say one more candidate na. But in the 2024 elections, so somewhere the whole place was green. But as the MPP no answer that anku ye ewo. But we'll be looking at all this. So, but this is something we just wanted to show to us. Now, why have you read the party, man? You are not telling me what to do. No, you are telling me what to do. No, but I chose this one. To do it. So, but you can't dictate for me. No, you can't dictate for me. I am saying that you can't dictate for me. No, I am saying. No, mama, what are Van Kengel Kui, Mamba Boirale. Van Kengel Kui, Mamba Boirale. What are you to say?
Prof.
Alake for Nama.
Alake,
affirmatory, review. Oh, Yakuala, Beshag, but whatever Vaplom, Yamia Dugo, Vaplona. Oh, Holali, Ejake Jojoma.
Prof,
oh, okay. Ati. Ima abode.
Prof, you say make you kurum kasawa.
Hinu ya menene koso.
Ya mani mufo.
Ya mani mufo.
Ya say bia kan kurum kasa nti you say be ka na abunofo ya say ya abaha bi.
Uba kaburo no. Hey. Unu bunu ba ko fa ebe de pa. Hwebetro hi. Na mameka say ni George. Papa when any baby call say who says I tell you at a compound house. Yes.
Two person will be a cutie and what tree be a good order in. And I will be tree good in the new better. I did your man will be so actually Nabebois. What was it? Better using Nabebois. That is
oh my goodness.
Yeah, tell you group that my phone.
Oh yeah, we so much show you live here. Now, media your friend is saying Ambassador Bruni Waba studio. Na Ambassador me mo akwa baby. Bruni ba ko pe. Bruni ba ko pe. Oh bibi aboko.
That's fine.
Bibi aboko. Osimin kam cross amincha young man
Muna take atuma.
Yeah, atuma beso. Ade omi beso. Ka hopogo.
Obi jabela.
Oh. Oh, Hey, for God and country. Sure. Yes, we are on. Now, Walali, no, Ima, you were here.
Yeah, bro.
What is happening in for me? No be doing commerce here from Akwetia.
Yeah.
Master Wood and SOFO Azoka. Omunyina, we are largest. When you come to the new the NDC and then the New Patriotic Party, Omunyina also your national vice chairman. Now, one would the cost between them. Then now, Becca.
Prof, I think say very unfortunate. Oshe video no na oshe nkoma ekoso social media. Enye ade a ewo say ye encourage. Say nipa munim se moye nanfofo. You see, that's the unfortunate thing. Yeti ya say the beka nyina ye wie ni esi foma. Menua holale ne amasa man broni ne me. Ye wie esi foma. Ye be di nkoma asere I exchange contact any ade a enche say obi ni obi wa asemo. But when these things happen, now all of a sudden no oko create impression be say MPP ni NDC for onye fine tokwa we ntema. Ebia na obi a onhu behind the scene no akofa no from a different angle. Now you see, earlier on when I was making a suggestion on this, I expressed my disappointment in Efo friend say SOFO Azoka. Because Oshe video numa he was saying say your mother. And earlier I couldn't even repeat it here. Only for Masawu to come and say Eyefina Omudi. So maybe 10 I'm like, how did this language come into our body politics? Not knowing say Eyefina amount for the weight. Ye defini bebre ya. Ebi ompa you drew baby moi untimi intimate say a man of four no say ye say ye entire ho MPP ni NDC for nya atamfo. We are friends. MPP for NDC for omo ye nanfo. But when elections come here, say stakes are high, interests are at stake. But let's portray that brotherliness and friendliness. Say ye entire ho enye ntokwa na ye ko. This is democracy. Kabi mamin kebi adwenche ene ye kwa koche. We are not going to show muzzles. So for me, what I saw, let's all condemn it in no uncertain terms. Say they are calling NPE. Enya friend na beka say oh we kwaka say na nanke o say we say enya wrong is wrong, right is right. Prof de meka fa hono.
Mera say maminko amasama broni me mo akwa ba bio de ekoso do then na obeka fa ho.
Pleaded with delegates, they should help for us to win with Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Now, coming to Akwetia, Prof, video now is circulating. I think SOFO Azoka in politics, no, and what's a time be a udimbe synonymous to violence. Say ye violence be na your body. At least a nipa day in day out, no, ye nina ye ni kakra. Na osha video no Alhaji Masawadu from the guest na HS agrono mudi onu amfano because onu su ni response that of aggressive one. I mean jin this outcome no, and I really admire the way Alhaji Masawadu composing no because oye bibi ewo ho a utmu say Azoka any boys na enam ankombe to ahye no so. Now the most disparaging comment SOFO Azoka emeki ewo ho I was say every media outlet mun condemn and I hope after the by-election I was say the New Patriotic Party must take that issue up and he say or no ebe two minority leader ewo ho afenyo markinsa and can be by-election when the constituency. This is not a language to be coming from a vice chair of a political party in government. Talk less of opposition party issuing etc. Now who are bemo. I think what the NDC is forgetting is yes, and himself President Mama say when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody beats the NDC to any day title amwaje wafa undisputed. Violence title no democrat. But at least bu omaya I was saying who say asudie kese pa eda also. And this opposition rant now what get away with it no. In government near investors, the investor community is watching. And when they more be bedroom say or the Nisika Beba Beshaw my way man on from Beshim. Be a week ago, President Enenam, Japan, Singapore, Kasani investors say omumbe investing in the country. Which investor would like to come and invest in the country? A ban election wise are very volatile. Then investment and then how many people or any investor who want to go and invest in Akwetia, a gold area, maybe mining, one of the biggest areas in Ghana, mining. When he sees videos like this, and such a person, look, the NDC must call out their Azoka say, enough is enough. Ushan say, the national chairman of NDC, or the member Abaso, has been bold in calling out Honorable Sam George say, Kasana Okano Ondri who says he's a minister. No susu ni kasa no so any opposition kasa no bi na obeto aso aye. He should be able to tell Azoka Shanase say near uya no uma party ni dimboni already and him say party to trust him there ya di title but who san man dimboni eka ho. So we really want to, you see, in all this I only beg of Akwetia people, they say by close of day no match MPP in Unyam na so far Azoka ehun say ni okoye wo ho no eso nimfa so. Because if they win, that means we've rewarded this kind of misbehavior of Sofa Azoka Nyawakoye. And me, I'll sit here and use this medium and condemn the Sofa Azoka and praise Alaj Masaoud for keeping the composure. Because video now much here, ono no say, piano cry still, he still thinks that we need to grow on them. And utie the bani kasa na oka wo na at least prof the northern languages in be oh, it must say or friend me brother.
Audience,
yes, or friendly brother. Even or piano in or didn't attempt or friend me brother. Initial stages no crowd large Masaoud cry or Katan crow or try so didn't inside bet to Nikomu. Minjin say only obi what issue or bet thinking of that extent. There are other videos I actually your national organizer Nana B, any Mustafa Bandini Yamin. Mo mujina ho ekasa normal e bon commerce three of them. How come so far Azoka feels like everywhere he has to show this kind of look, we're in a bravery, we're a cowardice because I like Masaoud Nkwa enam. So far Azoka see oya bema no so onam onunkwa. I don't know the onam na boys di.
All right, me that say maminko wala my your initial comment. Answer na yakwa kwitia sisi ya.
Yedi kan mamincha SOMPA 106.5 ina wi. This is true ni domi kwa NDC4. And even when I'm better home studio, my brother Ima, I think this is the first time I meet him. And of course, Kamal, dear Menina.
Brana Jua Munyina, so wow, brother, Brana Jua Mushia Munema. My angel.
And of course, Michia and your mom were a Aquitianzo. Samson and Anthony, or you know, Mufidomukabanya call, so they are all trying to support Jumana Kosovo Honomono. And in the Mususa, I remember two Supergus. Lawyer is going to win, you know, from what we are hearing from the ground and all that. With regards to the issue about
the two gentlemen, the two allergies.
This one, it is so for the Sabo.
Sofu
the Sabo. So come on, yes, I can. Old and
new, yeah. Sofu the Sabo.
Sofu the Sabo. And we all know Sofu Azoka.
Yeah.
And we all know, you know, names and kind of send the counterfeit in the MPP vice.
Yeah.
Masaoud, you know, say, you know. But I think we all know. I mean, Sofu Azoka's political history.
All right.
In this country, Waboy NDC party, you know, Akwan Ross be brave. Oh, Debbie, and you see, Kama made a statement. I think I should quickly address it.
Statement when I make here.
Mahama Nina Bebiada, sorry, His Excellency.
Yeah.
John Dramani Mahama.
Onyina Bebiada.
He has never attributed violence to the NDC. What he mentioned was that we have a revolutionary spirit. It is completely different from violence.
No, allow. There be a hadia ukasa will fact check nyabutre. So don't say, remember, don't worry yourself.
Can I speak?
No, speak on. Speak on.
So it's on record. On can say NDC a violent party, the biada. What he said was that we have the spirit of revolution. That is what he said. And these are facts. They are sacred. I mean, you can't just want to twist them. We're crying just semantics, not rhetoric or anything. They are just pure, basic, straightforward facts. So, oh, no problem. I mean, oh, come out, don't worry. So,
come out. Allow him to speak. Yes, thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. So, I mean, so for Nisabu and
all right, based on the search results that I've just done, there are indications that the former president, John Dramani Mahama, has been, and now president, then former, has been associated with statements regarding violence within the National Democratic Congress. One sniper suggests he responded to violence, while another one claims that he stated the NDC holds records, still holds the record in unleashing violence. So he's ever said it.
Is that a quotation from Mahama?
So he's ever said it. No, he's ever said it. It's on record.
Is that?
No,
come on, please. Is that a quotation from Mahama?
No, you wait. If you want further and better clarification, I'll give it to you.
He said he listened to the person speak.
I listened to the video.
And you are giving me
you wait. You
something
wait.
that somebody has said about it.
No, you wait.
This is an opinion you are giving me. You haven't given me what the man said.
He said that in the video. He said the NDC has a revolutionary route, and when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody beats them to it. This was what he said. I'm not misquoting him.
I am saying
that he only said that you have revolutionary spirit. Deleting that portion where he said when it comes to unleashing violence.
President Mahama wants. No one can beat us in unleashing violence.
So what have I said?
Did he say that?
He said it.
Where did he say
it's
that?
on City Online.
You are not saying where did he say it?
It's everywhere.
City Online or Moses?
Just go. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's just everywhere. So just go ahead.
So why is it so convenient that City Online did not state the initial comment or the premise, which is the revolutionary? Oh, come on.
You say it never existed.
So you can just go ahead with the conversation. You just go ahead with the conversation.
You are here quoting the conclusion of the matter. And I'm saying that on what premise?
I cannot answer that.
The unleashing of the violence.
I cannot.
But you just said it.
No, but I cannot. I cannot.
You just said it.
Yes, I need to fact check. But he's ever made that statement before. It's on record. It's everywhere. So go ahead.
And it is on reason that we have a revolutionary spirit. Yes,
yeah.
My send them link be on Facebook CCR, which is the actual video of him. So if you bet me you settle this issue, I think yeah.
I'm saying that what I heard is what I am saying.
Into the more video than into the okay. If he made that.
And that to be fair, when I'm say more video no ni I'll withdraw if I have to.
Yeah.
It's a very simple matter.
Then you withdraw. I'm sure.
MPP is taking this power as a matter of life and death. They said it already. They said all die, be die. And they are acting out and living the reality of the all die, be die. I'm sure that this evening when you turn on your televisions, you will see what happened at Ayawaso West. And so we are not going to joke in 2020. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to march them boot for boot. We respect the constitution of this country. And NDC is a democratic party. And that's why we abide by the rules of the constitution. But the same constitution says that Ghanaians should resist anybody who attempts to subvert the constitution. And when you go rampaging with forces and intimidating people when they should come out and vote, you are subverting Ghana's constitution. And we have a right to resist you. And so we'll get a full briefing of what happened. But I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence.
All right, so that's the confirmation. Walali.
Okay, so apologize to who exactly for what? You. Oh, Debbie, come on, let me speak. Please.
Allow him the space. No, come on.
Let me speak.
Yeah, so speak.
You conveniently sat here and left out that we had revolutionary whatever we had. Did you not? Was that not part of the speech? Why did you leave that one out? So I have also chosen to leave your violent one out. It's as simple as that.
Oh, really?
And the ATS is saying now, no matter emancipate or the video you buy. Do you listen to what the mama said? At what instance was he making this comment?
But it's
what
made,
was her own
no. Regardless of the instance. Regardless of the instance.
Regardless of what?
Regardless of the instance. The statement was made. Regardless of the instance. The statement was made. Can we make progress? Let's go. Let's go back to that.
There's a young tune, say Ghana had the Debia de Kobi or Honoma, said you only Jimmy for. In tobacco phone Kwana, Debia, Teach almost. I have also West. Your bronco from there is a gentleman whose leg is shattered till today because of the reckless behavior of the MPP, state-sponsored so-called national security for a banner champion deal with him call and now by President Teddy. A report came, a white paper came on it. Only now who sung by the sitting president of the day. Meanwhile, people were maimed, people were beaten. A sitting MP of Ghana's parliament was slapped in the face on video.
So can we go back to Akwetia? Can we go back to Akwetia?
So it was on a premise of what was happening to us at the time. So we needed to let them know that we have a revolutionary spirit. So we are setting
and then when it comes to unleashing violence,
unleashing violence. What kind of violence? Nyamitie wo musami kra
me ba so enche ye bebo modern na yakọ aye Akwetia na
problem of see all the interjection left right center
information
mo ko fa asem ne ba na se ye kan na mu yes in champion. Let's deal with the issue. Let's deal with the issue. You are getting the point.
Okay, so
I was talking about SOFO and Sabo.
Okay, so you're not landing.
What we saw was not expected. Like my brother said, it looks like a Ibia woman is something they do. Of course, it might look like it might have gone to the extreme kakra. But between those two gentlemen, they settled themselves. But I think Echireno, Masawood, and Nyadie, indeed, your interview has badly exposed it.
I didn't try.
Oh, you heard his final comments after your interview.
Then okay.
He just gave an invitation to treat. Say Okatre Yusufu say still or no matter would know Akwetia. What is he trying to imply? So what should happen?
What do you come
say no so Yusufu
an invitation.
Is that not an invitation to treat? What if Sofu also responds to that? What's going to happen in Akwetia right now?
Now to the
by now no adjo abafom. Tempers have calmed. You interview Sofo. What did he say? He says they've continuously given warning to Masawood. Said yeah what jeno. Kakra no din krofatem and all those kamu media for when ya mocha fan. Obi me the mic 2 tables no din sa boa to baby kra. That has become his behavior. And Sofo is saying that aya ultimately end this in pay fatem. Ono ni nya pay wa ka kire sa se me nia kuma. Jai sa de na o ye no. Yes adakro. Yanu benya sempa. Bepem ne Masawood nyaye. In fact, a real interview o ye sisi e gra no. Wasan sinipi. So on onye na dwen kra say any simple fatem ni die obejai. And that's not a fair comment to make. At a place where we are right now, having a by-election, where tempers have cooled down a bit since morning, I think it was a completely unnecessary invitation to treat from Masawood. No, maybe I said no do it. We are getting closer, to end of the poll.
All right,
and all that. So,
Maminda was
Obianko Fase Miam, so Fonsu stay out, send me or Masawood now that Quack Daniels before Yen Penisa.
All right, I want to say good afternoon to you, brother Philip. Which I was some Techman. Have a blessed afternoon. Techman 480 program, the live on SOMPA 106.5 FM. We are grateful to Techman every time. Nananom Pinyufam Woho, a year or my henny. What Techman, or see, I do your confirm or also a 9. Yet in Chakas here, Eddie Mao. And Nana, a year can't tell Hennes Yabechiano. Sabio Susuna, Yabechia, Nana Afranketia. known in private life as Fred Zeni, my old boss. He's such a wonderful man. And again, my infant in Chakasian, so Emma and Anahan Swahini. Such an amazing personality too. I say, Yakwa Marzusi and Yakwa Chankomobi. Now, there's a Southwest Timu Bruta. Now, Okoma, I know, sir, idea and commercial we are fine. Frederick Ewahmanoso, NDC Deputy Secretary, Akwitia. Alright, Frederick, me pacho apom to saying Yamarakwa Baba Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country, so we.
Yeah.
Now, me pacho apom to send you.
Minimum 5 1 kilo.
Good. That's I say Akwetia it is an abato no nkoma ben na obetimi dia boy nwom.
Abato ndem aka say so far so good. Bibia possible for asumdiewa. Yete ni say dodo na beba beto omaba.
Mo hwe nim say dodo na beto omaba. But is that supposed to mean say voter turnout, from where you sit and the kind of one kasano is that supposed to mean say one appear to abano up to now no womusana?
So far the polling centers now my polling centers be a market, Baby on my voter turnout ni high, baby so on my look. I by election the sana.
And you don't think there's a particular reason for that, or is it because I buy elections and because information we are gathering, and I said the heavy presence of the police in the crowd,
oh, like I said, I guess I'm a case. Police for the sir, one more baby, so no more on say, Nipadi, Mabe, Juma, no mama, asking Tiaba. The Macas and Yan, a reason and a factor in here. Side 7 and I think voters, and in the two my baby break. Like the police for the do more, so no. Omomu baby, no more, person.
And so for now, conveniently, we can say, security is very, very tight. As Semino can say. Now, but before that, my MBSA, Frederick, then a sea war. A party officer where we are told per reports we have gotten from the ground, so they say honorable for your Makens and then the Mrantia Ebaho Amombe YY NDC candidate in the posters. As some way, but send pan and assembly.
There was a party office lady one. Yeah, office lady one. Yehu and Taraji, minority leader. I have no markings. I'm in call for about on mobile and said that Justin could be also count or more. You know, second, and also a one. Or mobile after almost your candidate, posters. FM from Bayon or Honoma or Mufia, or more. The candidate in the posters, your man needing to try some best of you. A moment, and I know your family a different thing. Are they almost here in the election day, and just your candidate in the poster at area wanting. So far, the issue or no, but security personnel may or minister to some gear by almost restore peace and calm.
It is not just a dear see, I don't know. And that pinch by no Obi and Pra.
Oh, daddy, Obi
Asumbobia Swensu. Now, Oka say pinch by what was the nature of the pinch now?
I say Obi, are they now preventing necessary and the burning to my manning? quickly now no drive and confront away.
Auntie Sofo Azuka any Massa Wood one ensem ebeto dwafi anopa bepem sa abre asam de beto dwa no ye ne Sofo Azuka edi nkomo na nkomo ode tu ye nim ne se ade a apenyo Markins ene ne mrantie no eba mo party office ebetete posters bi the senti na ma de bufu ya ohun the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Chairman Buga, Chairman Masawood, anya de de eno command warnings on so nyai womon penyin for attempt the. So as we speak now no I don't know say omun tebo mumienu ntem no awa kweti aho no so would wani adi kire a sabre esisen
Maka say social media na me sare no say as Sofo Azuka on MPP vice no in Samano. Na meka say na mi ankansa mi media na me the see ya akoma course sana na mo in Samano. Meka say
okay now would ni ho
sana me ni ho
but what here
oh, me who social media, me be any phone, and Facebook
now. Now, we are party secretary wa kweti ahono so no enkom sa asem de see no one shede the new bia e wo office ho e fa sa asem because enya no ntie se eye Sofo Azuka mranche ne baako me ni eye Masuud e kasa no o ka se obi bo na so mefa nechi
and in fact me once say medical kana social media so na me hu ye nso me hu say sutro bobia e koso de metumi edi ho dance no say sutro bobi koso dia na me e dia mo reporters ni bi ana media stations na wo on the reporters ni betumi actually
we dia nya say your reporters ni bi because many chairman buga edi nkomo ama onu agye tum say obi hwe na so e fa nachi.
Okay, it is alleged.
It is alleged. And Ibanaka say, "Yabona suma."
So no, I cannot say nothing. The money say it is alleged. Say obi obi I the ben abona suma.
Okay, until proven by a competent court of jurisdiction. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but Ejan say NDC. A branch here back where I did pussy for a channel. Now, sa branch no, o me jana na.
Like I said, incidents may see your party office na like I said, many paba ko na mchi na mchi. Afenya Markins so make it iPhone bi. Omo mu di mechi. Omo chi bi. Na me nim de akwa kosi. And the offer security personnel na omo betche.
Now, as a secretary, near chill boy back. Now, Utimi catch them say unim di akwaku see. I think you have to follow up and find out. Say, okay, say where my brand here actually no. Say actually no, my main question be a and I see a giant, and you have no information on it.
No, sir. I'm not any be on. Maybe I'm more reporters. Maybe I'm more reporters. I'm make a say NDC. It because no MPP. And you also know, Esiano. Your Gausa, Yegusu, and Monitaniama. So, as a Siano, or party office, or my young conscious executives in Yegusu, rounds, call various prison centers, and saying, you be a cost talking, oh, Honomano, and then you do my area. You may be after there 3 to 4 more on a minute. You have the court office. Now, you share on your election directive. Almost more on almost almost can say results in na ya beto aba na wie waso nje na results na aba ni ke djuma ho djuma no na ye
so far akabe 1 hour 30 minutes na ye dia bato no e dia ba wie ye so ye bisa say say wo hwe de corner you are highly convicted say NDC for mobedi nkonim.
In America, we will be victorious in this by elections because ọmanfoɔ no bebree na ɛtɔ yɛasɛm no a ne yɛkɔ aprɔbɔ no ne yɛka kyerɛ mu no sɛ ɔmo ɛpɛ mpuntuo bi a ɛne ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ɛto ɛma lɔya Bernard Ako na ɔkɔka ne president anaa ne papa no John Dramani Mahama na ɔtwe mpuntuo no a akemu akotia no biara ɛne ne nansi mu no de ba.
Abiam yesa peke some intelligence say NDC for ade a mu chiche sika no kra na
abone de meta se intenti na no na party wa demo asa na na amafo expecting omo susuye mu na no expectation ka na na tie na meka se ye wa he no ebi obi be mo bi bitia na ebi ni transportation.
Okay, so we can say ebi ana party mpenyimfo ne bi na ema ebi mu transportation say omo ngi sika na omo beto aba na omo nsanko.
Sa ene no so na nye NDC fo nkwa na ye yinim se obi ade nhihye egu akwan so a nkofo a wo nim so omo wa akwanti mu no udi agro omo ntumi beto aba ma no se wo so ye de obetumi bia na omo beto.
But as a party, no, when to me antenase anwen who say, Mubayi a year and Crophobi baby at one distance, no, maybe to the polling station, no, a more air than a more train. And you know, as a party, no, when to me antenase and cast, okay, you better take decisions, 1 year fee chiri ban, ABI will be 50 cities, 100 cities. Well, wasn't there any of such a decision taken?
Like I say. Mena okase ya enkola ne bi ana yitini obi on ma school di na kwakopie temale obi nso on ma Cape Coast obi nso on ma Accra enti sankofo no omo so sana party na ayen hwehwe ya ye wo mu data awo ye officer obi ba na ofi on ma na ase ni TNT dia so wo hwe na so sorting out.
TNT ni best say na mutua ma omo
say obi eni mankan ro fe ufi akoti akonkan ya so obi eni ro fe no it no do take it in ba na wadi o fe.
Oh, okay eno na esketua amanfo fi say e koso
any one here MPV for so almost mutua transportation sir. All because of say ombenya omunko for dudu na amom abeto abamom and as I deal with no enye new ewo elections mu.
Okay, so before I let you go, is it true say Sabri mudi dozers bi ni F moving machines bi akosi akwan bi so a mu yi akwan ewo eyakweti ho as we speak ana
makase NBC yazumi John Dramani Mahama o azumi office be 8 months pay me na abani so won hihye say nkronkro bi o ma kwan omunya access wood kra nko mu krom no ye be yi sa kwan na mom then say by election ebebo so be ka say eduma e koso dada na ana say by election tinti no ma impuntuduma ebi obi ehi ade no nke say e ma na na o say e ma no you know that grading of mother reshaping of that access road media a normal thing or the compare maybe a chuma you want to buy election to bana you didn't cut you go as far e okrom ni e buko ta okroma akotia constituency no ba ohun ni sa yeah ya beka say access road ni na drip for na wo de shika fabric na omo grade and omo shape na
the reason why I asked this question and they say many Rashid Computer Tanko Ekasai, Deputy Director of Elections, the NDC. He tells me, say, one more the MPP for Akoye, your friend is saying, Ayawasu West Wagon, and Nedium Koye, ase enough no enya de amukra no mo be yes mistake ne kra say during a by election mo be ko ho na mo di machines akwa say mo ye kwan in order to attract vote.
Maka say okay ne kwan so ano na ne kwet because oba kwetia one bambe hu say ye dey asphalt machine aba be siwo any tire machine aba be siwo no say ye tire kwan bi ni ade saa de no ye hu bi ana bia project bi no ma ye former MP honorable Henry Gwati ya de media want to complete no ye do me ka complete ya nya saa di man
all because mo pese o mo to abama mo na mo candidate Bernard Bedia ko lawyer or winning.
No ebi ni hosa na meka say if access road will be the code chroma so afei wa ona msukura na ko campaign say nya odo entina no say geda o na mana wa ba be gedi su kakrama nkofo na meka say no anya say e bia o de to obi agbe ana fifi bia ye we ni say e bia ya kase by elections wo na no di nika uguko ta wa ha project bia want me complete na o su di nika kwa ko ye no ene na ye say afa o ye di video influence amount for conscience ene le yom beto abama
na sa dey we no na nka also mo ene dada not at this time yet to abande
so NDC abanye na nka na no oba e busumi in watching Intina, I feel now by now, alternative. Ye DC square is barely 4 months in it. You Yabaka said by elections in Intino, Obi. In your media, I came my idea also, and this old Yana, also, but over show what it's an idea for the Akotuabama.
Mini Frederick, my nasi pass every year, my home, you know, didn't come. Yeah, Miss Shroud. You best about change. Why? Yo, SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Best it's here for say, one more me try me home abasisia na. Me try me home ba commodity baby. You better call your reporters in chain because I believe they also have some. Information they would want to share with us right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. And you know, your best ramusisia say, you try one basisia na, you no more edim komo live here on For God and Country. Yeah, basisia.
Techimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni, I'm a punning in Answabo. Wait, yeah, Thursday, yeah, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front a Wokumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and that's a backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Roberto Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa Kahunina. Now, when in Bribi, Edicam for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabbit idea. Kahu na senya.
Kweku, minim sawa yeshe. Mekrama nane. Na so ebony show one embasso.
Mane Honsepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
Et dans les vieux mis à condom. Les condoms mouillés, then it's not on, but don't got as a condom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gye din wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na se 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
tontonte yenum nsane e fa adwen ne e fa adwen mpa se na num se brebi beba ama tontina 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho denden tontina 74 yi nso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tontina 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa wokọ pharmacy ana baby to no bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkrato yi atom
Beba Chobusia for a cost Adabasiama Makwaba Bioba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Wherever you are under the sound of this great voice, above 5 just after the close of the pools are your baby airlines not some kind numbers are phrases so 0260-196064 0260-196065 and these are the numbers are phrases so kai say jumedi yasheshe ama yenya boafo wata ichi and also remember say doing business without advertising is just like being in the dark. No one else knows what you do except you. Grab the opportunity now and let's do business live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yeah, kwa humanu sisi ya na yene opon checheku your number one reporter sabra meno kasi o akwetia woni yen ebedi nkomo opon checheku na pop to sen
Major so prof
ya ma kwa ba o
Major so
okay se boy nkomo den ekoso e wa akwetia
me da say abatu efi asie anopa no nson bepem sa enu no kwasem ni se bibia de dana kwamu ama eye asundue etimi koso a yaka beye donhwe ni ensantem ni enu ye behwe se bibia betimi atoto na kwamu na ni a ye hwe ni mu kwan wa kwasiasa asundue betimi aba no etimi abasa enche ye na eye parliamentary candidate a wojina ediama ye NDC amanyofo ne senfo kasa yera bedi ako na mensem a wodi tudwa no ekire se owogidie pasen kunumdie die ebekọ ediama no na ebiemu nso se nkunumdie nso bekọ a enye se dia ekọ ne saa keke memum ekọ ejina ho ama eye margin no obia strategy no ho a won tiasie enkane no eye nimia a wono so eka no ho ye rasumadu so dia to dia chem se wono so di nkunim na beye 1 hour ago a yekopie mu ewo eye wanchi eni na mu a ya san so dia bebe pie mu ewo eye topre eni eye bodua no no kwasem ni se bambo nsem wo manga na mu a mi se die ewo soro ehye emedibia etimi akosona mensaka eye ono abusika ewo menchen wa hanmuti ene no nim komotiawa na yenje ono so na Jim check so far so good in observation at the same. Honorable Yamon Honorable William is my name. Yeah, sure. So, Honorable, tell us, can be picture if you tell no power, name one by the Pitabino. What that Roma, the end with oh, already I don't be there. Yeah, and I don't think you're expecting anything other than what we are seeing. Which is smooth voting. Okay, you better radiation. Yeah, so you. It means to say, well, be 2 hours, 3 hours in 7 hours winning in up and you who would you say no one is here? Mobile Mupitan or Pana Muana. Aye, the year who know, and one I expect to say, said Obia is been about his voting peacefully. Said nobody is attacking anybody, and I think that nobody is intimidating anybody. And you know, we sure say, you better indeed these votes in a very, very smooth way. And now, let's believe say the voting, the counting process is very smooth. In the same way, you know, the declaration to a very smooth. Even though a few skirmishes were recorded, or some of the party, there'll be a party office earlier in the morning, and I see Lorry Park. And no isolated incidents means that we should condemn everything. As we have been discussed, you know, it's more or less a caution to those who commented it shouldn't happen. That is not why we are here. You consider the yearning on the ground is they want the place green. You see, that is what we are all crying for. That the people want a complete change of the narrative. The green is what they are working towards. And say, let's grant everybody that opportunity to get that done. Okay, Honorable, before a demo kono, and China candidate ABPM, or no sooner some more to done to the thing could be a media. Yashani do my son wabo, any botaya wapedi in chest or beshe, now was also a restore the media cassia ne work with ya, ne namsme mebu in a juma ayo. Do you think that this particular time I woman breach ababwa with ye? Neba wobano, edin to papa, ebet me at the abre a year or Timemukwana. And yeah, after going to the development there, very highly possible, say 80% development number. Because some of the lawyer Bediako is coming in on the ticket of NDC. Now, me sure say a bayan meeting, sir, Obetuana more president was say, be here with me, the other me him Huawei. On the president, India, Ghana Punyana, you not sure. Now, our home opposition and our home Obia, Bena. And then obeying problem. But to share the opposition, Ayana obey President Ayodin. Ayodin. Now, mostly, so you identify with this particular opposition, or more parliamentary. We are not work out to me. You see, we have been in position before, but we don't do Kakra walkout. No. Yeah, let's just say, if you like, the way you went free. Governance, let's say, I say, almost small, I say, you are not carrying them along. What do I say? And you know, a bad is difficult. And that is why I say, the government in power to say, on per se, development, you know, that's not called just few places. Okay. All right. You know, the good thing will be to get somebody from there. And can him ship it any a year after sooner any Komokaka. Honorable Koyo, whatever from one year now, constituency, I was so many pain. About we only saying. Yo, but that's in the kind of for Mutier. I'm saying, everybody in the Shasano panel. So far so good. And say the body be Serbia casualty be and I be BSC incident free and yes. Now some believe say by close of the day and Sunday be home and so as we didn't yes.
and upon the not 10 out was a little bit low. Now by within 9-10 or after 12 we started to issue up. And when you say yeah, you be really dear. Now 70-75 or more no will be a turnout for today's event.
Yeah, share o candidate or a lawyer. Will you be shocked after the pool when you say Machi Virginia?
Margin crowd and
really?
Debbie. Go out your pop into. Sure. And government of the day, so I'm for supporting the candidate. That's how we don't expect good things from the government. Okay. Internet year, by close to the day, no, lawyer Bernard Bediakon will be declared as a winner. Will you be shocked? I will not.
If it turns around.
Never come to my mind at all.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Okay. If you know, Prof, a year and can him Rashibigani, Honorable Koyuna, Yeno, Ekasa Yeno. And she said you be kind Ekasa Fan, or the emotion same at the Arabic two Gano. Not just Omar Riata, so Senate, this constituency, no, Omber J. Ama Ababeka, a year NDC, Madodo, more Senebeya, in Punchu, Ebetimi, Atana, or a year could get with one. So far, so good. The same in the when he said, Chimamufona Cassati, I say, yes, your Muki, a year voting centers, no. Ebinum so afiasia womo ekọ eye collation center ho no na omo ni eye amanfo wo no no so akwakọhwe ni ebekọ so ewo eye collation center nti say ni de e kama ti say nanka ni eye hu ni say anka sabre ya no me nsambo a ekọbọ no nan de nanka amanfo digwa odwom to banchi fufuo kwakọwo ekọbọ omadua ni bi adie nanso say no e kama ti say o esie bi obegwam bi obi apia bonten Pia Bontia, the Omunano, Eshe, share Abatu on the corner, the almost share, in Puntu Omope, any Nia, not Omope, the candidates or when you don't say, Obetina Babe replace a year and Canny, Mashabi Jania, no one person, Yera and Escumi, Aja, Ubikan, Yabamo, Wababe Panaqua, Nada Roman, I'm sure, Ama by election, Abaku, Niomosono, Omosa, everything. They say they ought to win now. Aposifo so mo ko be nie ene be bia be bia be hu bambosem e wo ho a che so mu nyina no so no wo mo hwe aboa ama bibia etimi akoso
yo ene oponche cheku ye better was say bibia to for my ama ya so ntina bambo ho nsem eti saying na security no is it really tight because in the next an hour adia about one ye de be na wie na kinkan no na ashase hona the trouble ne papa
right bambon some dey say can fitia no pa betum sabri ne dey bambon some both two political parties obi ase bambon some was soro e mo nyina so ani age nti no bambon some dey netina kasa posify ade o ma tutu bibia se ne ne yetifi se wa SARFO no so far e bia ni won ma ye bekwa ye hu asra ni bia ewo ye ho no ma chefe bibia etoto na kwanso wa no nti anu say no very peaceful.
Now parties mienu no so one conduct at the same.
Okay. Very great.
Conduct at the same. Parties mienu no.
Yes, very great. And aside everything in Krampo no, omu nyina no so esiki for impuntu any corona ankasa no bibia etini ekoso nti no yade a so far so good no party ni mienu na won say ne meka ne say arewo tem a kefe enam so a ebaaye ne say omu mienu ni nyina no ebedwene akwatia ho kane asen ni amanyosem poko omu nyina firi mu ebaaye esan say ye hwemu a omu mienu na nkasa no komu anu ya na se constituency na omu nyina firi na sebi enya amanyosem anasun we kala omu nyina no abusua baako akwatia no sei no omu nyina no ti omu ho ase enti se ekọ na ekọkọ tire so epa so na echi so a akwatia na wo so omu hwe no omu gini akwatia ho kane enti odo eni biako ye no enu ni ade a ye hwe se ni nyina koba na wie a amanyofo ni mienu MPP NDC candidate ni betini akọ mu ho abomu aye baako asem baako a
ɛyɛ lawyer ne kan ya ɛtɔ masuma ɛyɛ me de pa ne sɛ wɔ se wɔn mo to aba ne wie na sɛ ebi akenkan ne kɔ so bambɔ nsɛm bi wɔn mmienu ne nyinaa gye atum sɛ bambɔ nsɛm wɔ soro na sɛ yɛto aba ne wie na wei sɛ me nsɛm ho ase a sobuo bi ɔde bɛbɔ ɛyɛ electoral commission deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ deɛ but ɔmo mfa mmara mfa nhyɛ ɔmo nsɛm ɛnkɔnkɔyɛ adeɛ bi ɛbɛwie akyire no ɛmfa ɛyɛ mpuntu anaasɛ ɛmfa asomdwe ntumi ma mɛtena ɛyɛ akɔsia hanom sɛ yi ɛsiane sɛ ɔman ghana hanom sɛ wɔyɛ nim ne akɔ so ɛwɔ north ɛne ɛyɛ beaeɛ bi a kyɛ sɛ hɔ nso ntɔkwa saa nti ɔmo mpɛ sɛ bi bɛsi na mmom sɛ obiara nte ne ho ase after the declaration a ɛyɛ ebia mmerakwan mu ɛna ɔde bɛfo ɛsiane sɛ ɔno ade ne ho yɛ mfa to ho kyerɛ sɛ ɔno ankasa ne mu no wɔyɛ mmaranim ni nti no wɔmfa mmara nhyɛ ne nsɛm nkɔnkɔyɛ wɔhwɛ no bi wɔnte ne ho ase ɛwɔ bibi mu deɛ a ɛneɛ ɛno no mmerakwan mu na ɔbɛhwɛ na ɔde bɛfa ne mmom ɛnyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛsaete n'akyitaafoɔ sɛ ɔmo nkɔnkɔyɛ bibi bɔne
sɛ wohwɛ ɛyɛ parties ne mmienu no a saa berɛ yi we are getting close to the election just about an hour to say sɛ abatoɔ no yɛde bɛba na wieɛ parties no mmienu no wɔn mo paa na wɔn aho keka no ɛwɔ soro
prof me that say nimdi a wɔn nsɛntwerɛ adwuma mu ne nti ɛna wobisa saa asɛm bisa wɔ yi ɛsiane sɛ abatoɔ deɛ woyɛ amanyɔni ne ɛto aba wie a wobɛdi nkunim a ayere so waa dɔnko ɛkɔpem 2 o'clock deɛ wosɛ otimi hu sɛ wowɔ benkum anaasɛ wɔ nifa but aha no mu sei no ɛyɛ daisi kakra because 1992 ɛbɛpem 2024 abatoɔ a yɛato ɛwɔ ɛyɛ akwatia abatoɔ mpɛsoa so ne nyinaa mu no NPP ekuta emu mako enum NDC ekuta mako enan nti yɛhwɛ mu a ɛyɛ abakoro no baako pɛ ɛna baako edidi kan ɛwɔ baako soɔ yɛnhwɛ no nti no sɛ ɛna abatoɔ no ɛde nsakyɛ bi bɛpae deɛ a ɛbɛgyina ne so sɛ yɛto wie na MPP edi nkunum a na kyɛ sɛ 1992 bɛpem saa bere no aba yɛato no MPP ekuta mman mu mako ensia na NDC akwakuta emu enan sɛ amasa na sɛ NDC nso wini dia na kwaya 55 ɛno no kyempe kyebia gye sɛ bia 2028 na bia be decide yɛ wɔn but sɛ sie no ɔmo mienu nyinaa wɔ grounds ɛno na ama ayɛ den kakra de ama yɛn sɛntwerɛfoɔ na yɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ abatoɔ wɔ mu no deɛ nɔkwasɛm nie esumasi wini anaasɛ ɔbɛntin lusu wɔn but ahana ba bɛyɛ daisi kakra titi baabi a makɔ aprɔbaa ba bɛ na mu aba bɛpie baabi a mewɔ sɛsie yi ɛyɛ boodua kyɛpra ɛne ne mpɔtɛm wɔnom no nɔkwasɛm nie NPP wɔ grounds NDC wɔ grounds
but woso wode waso ɛtoto fam a wode waso ɛtoto fam paa ɛnwom bɛn na amanfoɔ ɛtoɔ wɔn to NDC nnwom anaasɛ NPP nnwom wode waso ɛtoto fam a den na kurom hɔfoɔ no ɛɛka
prof me da say nsɛntwerɛ adwuma a yɛdi akɔ akyire kakra but akwatia no mu sei no ɛyɛ swing a kyerɛ sɛ obi atumi fa timamufoɔ nsɛm a ɔmo ka ne kyerɛ sɛ sɛbe akɔyɛ kɔkɔba anyɛ kɔkɔba yɛ pɛtɛba ɔmo nyinaa nso korɔbɔfoɔ ma ɛno nti no sɛ ɔmo bɛtumi ato aba ama mpuntu aba deɛ a ɛde sɛ ɔmo to aba no ɛde ma lawyer saa na ebi ka ebi nso kyerɛ sɛ yɛnhwɛ akoma pa na yɛwura ɛnɛskumi ekuta ɛne nyankopɔn ato nsa de afrɛ no ɛno nti ne sɛ ɔmo to aba ɛde ma ɛyɛ esumadu a bibi obroni frɛ kasa bi sɛ sympathy vote anaasɛ humɔborɔ abatoɔ ebi ɛno ana ebi ɔmo bɛhyɛ na ɔmo de ato aba ma nanso ne nyina mu no yɛnka ne yɛhu ne sɛ NDC ewini ɛwɔ akwatia abatoɔ yi mu a ɛkɔka mmea ɔmo wɔ mmarahyɛbadwafoɔ hɔ nom a ɛno a ɛso nte ɛno nso a ɔmo 2/3 no ɔmo anya koraa aboro soɔ ɛna sɛ ɔmo to aba no nso ɛde ma ɛyɛ MPP nso a sɛbi ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo dodo ɔmo kuta wɔ mmarahyɛbadwafie hɔ ɛno ɛso nte ɛno nso nkɔfa bi nka ho ɛmfa nsatɛyɛ bi amfa mmerɛ NPP foɔ no ɛwɔ mmarahyɛ bɛgyefie nti ɛno ɛne nea ɛda nso kakra nti ama most of them na decision ni sɛ ɛna saa na ɛteɛ deɛ adeɛ na yɛnto abanfa ma aban a ɔbɛboa ma mpuntu etimi akɔ soɔ sɛnea mekae no wokɔpie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ yɛwura ɛnɛskumi ne kurom ɛyɛ wɔnkyi a meka sɛ yɛ mpuntuo yɛ adeɛ ɛkɔ so ɔmo yɛ kwan yɛgyi kwan so ɛsiesie kwan wɔn nti mpuntuo no ebia no ɛna yɛhyɛ akwatia ha no sei na this particular constituency ɔmo ha kɛseɛ paa yɛ kwan sɛ woyi nsuo a ɛnɛ fam agu bi aba bɛsɛe na ɛyɛ kwan ɛno nti no ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a ɔmo bɛsrɛ sɛ anka mpuntuo ntimi ɛmmra ɛnɛ ɛne nea amanyokuo yɛwura lɔya no ɛka sɛ mpuntuo no ɔno ɔde nam ɛsiane sɛ aban a wɔte so no ɛyɛ n'aban ɛna yɛwura sumadu no nso kyerɛ sɛ otu aba no de ma na ɛne ɔno nso agya ɔsom NPP ɔbɛkɔ akɔka ɔmo ho na aba ɔmo atoa so nnwumnnwum adi ɔmo die ɛwɔ mmarahyɛ bɛgyefie atumi akɔ so enti wei yɛtoma wɔ ankasa prof
mi ankasa wotoma mi wɔ ho ɔbɛgyegyeku ɔhu hia yɛ mpa nti yɛbɛserew ɛyɛ a na wahwɛ ho so yie na wabɔ ho ban yie baabi a ɛni kwan sɛ ɛwɔ so wura no mmerɛmu no menim sɛ electoral commission for aka police for mo hɔ so aka nkɔpɛ ho asɛm nkɔ baabi ani kwan sɛ wokɔ na nkɔfa asɛm mbrɛ yɛn ɛyɛ ahwɛ ho so yie paa nyame nka ho ba biribi atɔ fam so a mayɛsɔnte o mayɛsɔnte yo medase all right upon checheku your reporter and ate say mene no edi enkomo sisi ai ba ma me nkoso na me nto ma Emmanuel Ima wetie your reporter no what can you say or make out of sa enkomo amene na edi sisi ai but before that no Agatha or say girl child coordinator or the Bono East Regional Education Directorate also tie empa Agatha or say wherever you are, have a great evening live here on SOMPA 106.5.
Bro, na me kasa also chiamio.
Unimino.
Minimum.
Unime Agatha.
There be minimum.
Unimino. Asa ofi group ni.
Said you ubusa question na what the two so.
There be. Akoma chia so chia. That's it too.
Was a daddy lumba when you baby ko nyame fa the crazy.
Yeah.
Obonyu bi se aye
sa jobru kra o ma me jawa
ya ba duna omo close we na the same come say ade na aye I think one problem of both parties facing is say omuntimi nya omo members mo nkoto aba and for one I think say it stems from the presence of the police there who say police for na wo ho no ho ewo banbo ho asem wo ho eno na ama asumbia ba ho yemfa no nto nche. Let's look at the communication around it. The minority creates the impression say MPP for no the police for na ba begu say they be yon be intimidate enkrofo no. Now when you talk like that ema wachidi for no ehun ne say police for no against us into onu po kwakoto awusuro. The reverse for the party in government is any complacency. So a police for na ba na yesi when say man kokra we be kwakoto they say abane said yomo kika na koma ye ntinu we be kwakoto e bi to me somewhere 2015 na me pe departmental president early childhood department na me yes me call campaign I entered 3 rooms in a mejaye yes UW University of Education Winneba Prof Mikodras Emmanuel Dako now you don't need to campaign better my and it's not like they were lying to me say at that time na me darling boy kakra intino holali it was na say makwa le mankoto amasa my bonye be kwakoto mankoto ase prof beko inti mankoto no nyame nko anka mewe
baudi ngudim
nyame adom
that's fine
the make question say say aban na ewo so no omanye omo communication ya it will breed some sense of complacency among omo nkrofo no then it will be like adimpo said your mo kan almost ya mpo 53% no just say ya more than cry be 53 o say na say mankwa ense hwe mankwa be say obi anko then opposition for no so dey na kwa say ya kwa police for ko mo dey mo ba so mo mehunu na be dey me pass we fa ha me kodi me nkui me kodo me banti ase. So we share reports na eba na clearly voter turnout today very very low, and both parties I think said they could have done more with omu communication, trying to explain to omu followers say the presence of the police was actually for their own safety, not going to the left, not going to the right. I think says our communication course one can be a bit me and nipa bibre ama omo betimi ato, but as it stands now, listening to your reporter upon Ticheku, he's done a fantastic job. Professor himself media me bantem kakra yeni na didi nkoma, and it appears MPP ni NDC obi antimi mfa ne sensible in all honesty and kase olidi, because the voter turnout so far so good no low, but prof you be 49 minutes or so,
49 minutes to go,
still close to call enti akwetiafo amuti yesre ma say benkum na apel nifa na apel. This is a democracy. Obia nditwi no nje be ma no nkoto aba. Baby abeko bia ye be so.
Me da say ama sama bro ni ma menti we.
Yeah, prof. Me person me call back akra. Now we interview deputy, is it constituency secretary?
Yeah, Frederick.
Yeah. Oka bibi say omu make provision for TNT. And let me say, since when and who say ko to aba to make provision for TNT.
Oh, but this is common with political parties.
Please, baby, I may come and land it.
Maybe at all land it.
Because uko online, there are news items. Look, this is NDC accuses MPP of vote buying in Asinov. Say MPP so as then I catch say omu make provision for TNT. Would they have bought into that idea? You have the Deputy General Secretary Mustafa Gbandi accusing us of vote buying in Kumewu, but Edru omu di any there a provision for TNT. Say yenina then no yenina ye won crofo omu free other places ebe to aba. How come suddenly there when the rhythm changes you there a provision, but say if the table stands the other way around the vote buying dynamics ami pese unhunu no. Say in their case any vote buying obi a obeba obi free crying to ma calculate from crying to ko we dey say wa wunim na MPP they calculate from baby to asin no for there and they bad they vote by. So that's the point I want to make. Then the voter suppression aspect, you know, say before member studio information menya say there's a portion of Akwetia omufra wenchi say MPP e win ho 95% ye win ho omatam police for NDC tax na kogu ho to intimidate our people from coming out, because definitely baby unya enough vote ebe propel say obenya victory no, so opponent echo intimidate or suppress vote so that on any strongholds no or the benya vote. So that's the ploy oma adopt ewo ho. The only thing we'll say is say they also aka 40 something minutes ebe din say obetimi a rally any good number, but to say finish hard. That is all that we'll say.
Yeah.
Akwetia 4 years strong said this is a seat for MPP, and the honorable thing they can do to honor their late MP, and he say obedaho at say MPP a retaining seat. So we are pleading with them to go out there and vote for the MPP at this last minute.
All right,
Prof. Tau.
Okay.
We don't have much time, so
yeah.
I can't mention the I'm saying Iman can't draw now, so I will not belabor the point. One, lawyers' contribution in Akwetia is very, very significant. The attendance of one crop for pa, as some two beer where MPP and DCU. What?
Don't look at him, Shemi.
No, you mentioned
MPP. Come on, yeah, me with you.
The attendance that he is very, very open, to defending people when they have issues, regardless of who you are. Except you or not, maybe I was in Angloga in 2020 and 2024. I saw people coming out on the streets to come and campaign in 2020. They were just a handful, MPP4. But in 2024, what I saw in Angloga was different. So there are several dynamics in politics. So it is possible that lawyer will be able to assist. Why? We are all family people. And yes, Membe kama yeti hey, any ma yeti hey is here. Yakwa Akotia Bianca, all of us may even be in one police station. Kabana Yari Kati and Kofi Brookman. Eddie and Com.
Kofi Brookman there.
Quiet.
Okay.
So and we'll be having our nice conversations, waiting for end of day polls and then for collation. That's what we would have been doing in Akwetia. I mean, it's a contest of ideas, and I believe say Akwetia for name, say a lawyer would represent them better in Parliament. Akwetia for name, say Emra yewo mu see a two Obama lawyer na so Parliament. He will give them a better representation. They are looking at the immediate circumstance. Now you can't a earth moving equipment.
Yeah.
The deputy secretary was very spot on the grounds day of elections. These are some of the reasons why people will not go out to go and vote. Let me actually say, we should the polling station hot dear. So Mr. Nantin so beche mebre.
Hey,
cut down super family, quite no, or bet charging me.
Voila.
So picking up all these informations, the assembly they can decide say, oh, okay. If he was very specific, was say access roads. Not just say acquire at they call various polling stations to facilitate easy movement. The matter is that to cry break also. Unless we are being told right now,
and Saturday we namu nim the dana. You've been in government for 8 months. Namu nim the dana.
Unless we are being told now, say na asphalt wo NDC bar within these 8 months. And yet yakwako juri asphalt ni na egu. And yes sir area and egu kwano so. Is that the case?
All right. So
when you about Prof Milandi, that's not the case. So they are just improving access routes to the election centers. And with regards to facilitation, transportation in Yamani, Yanya Kai, the NEC has seen North. A gentleman was on live video, 200 Ghana and in Sema Shendibutu, also what JFM MPP for him, Muso Kotoa Bechiam. And this is one Kai. So let's put the facts where they are. We are facilitating transportation. Now, election, 2024, we going to the polls. Every constituency had facilitation for Obibia or share. Inside corner until 19 p.m. Okay, ya bana oka ya is okay. Moto na si hei, tinenchi ni emfa onko na koto aba. Anaka na si hei, tinemu ni enko. Wa untimi nya kwan waka no yesi, detensi di we nefa car. Na besi nko polling station koto aba. It is called facilitation of the process. Ya emfa 200 Ghana. 400 Ghana and share be nsem so nkoto aba say the MP for year na sen north. Yes an ye. You would have seen it by now. SC was in North New because there was evidence. There is video evidence to it. So basically, I can say, I could have phone him. Say, in praying, and my woman says, it's a lawyer called Parliament. And the baby because President Wahomano, the ministers in I or Kusho more Parliament, Minister of Roads, Mark Pine yet Wakutia, Mesrel, Bebois. Na kakra me say 15 kilometers bio say 20 bio be boa na kakra me lawyer beat me yes very easily. We are talking about easy facilitation and who is going to represent better.
All right,
you can't say somebody is going to be made as the best. No, we are saying that in times in which we are now dear, the best choice will be lawyer. Nti yes sir akutiafo nyina mrene nyanu yes ah okona sa original mu by 5 mpo a be ma kwan ma ato aba nti wo de koto aba se be ya lawyer benya kwan. No akwa gina mu anemu of Parliament na de se efata akwetia man no monsanka.
Okay, so there are two key interviews we have done today. One with SOFO Azuka and the other one with Chairman Buga. We'll be doing a playback of those interviews for our listeners. Aibia or Mentimian catch up with us. But my member Mr. Dakon, Mr. Dakon, Dako, a quick one. On the road construction, what do you make of it?
Oh, Prof, really
easy access.
I asked the say Obi or say on per se be friend mate you, your friend bus conductor. The same argument.
Me that say. My man got Kamaldin. What's your take on that?
Oh, say
Okogu asphalt was in north. Nti ono asem na waka.
What's your take on that? Kamal?
A gimmick for votes.
A gimmick for votes. Okay, we're going to be right back. Just take a listen to these voices. Eyanokre and I said Eyanokre.
Oze. Oyenyami.
Onyanyami ntino asumbone di oje.
Maza me catch me see. Oh yeah, penyo for no. Yeah ka wo radio mu. Anywhere public or no public. What I say? Me catch say he should stop insulting leaders of the NDC.
But so Ramasoud, me see Masoud. Ora so far so okay. That's a edu sara. You bet me I can say so when you boteka crow. O mema na ba ko. O mema na ba ko ball. Eye Masoud asumu no.
One kasa. Me na butranka adene ye pese ye no ebe brusa. Ya sia butraman. Onu kasa onim. E Masoud a small boy. Me senior chair Masoud. Bisano.
Na obi be bisa say Honorable Afenyo Makins so ase yehu mfonyi bi o wa ase na ase obu afu de pa
me only say me ye ba no me office na me call coalition centers me monitor ye ba no na aba ho abetiti ye candidate to no poster na obi anyo no nim say ye nyina ya akọ o di ase
me pacho asem na ye pese team no kreye aye honorable Afenyo Makins nankasa ene kwotete posters na say one
masa call no bisan we dey call no bisan say one net fa omo titi your posters.
And in branch ni bi na kwotete posters no ho.
Masa we your branch in the one catch is me boy abobi aso.
Yeah.
One friend boy no one catch me atoka. Sana efenya mark. Why lucky say ni ho. Sana catch am say why lucky me man call MPP party office. Me or me party office. Now what through party office now that the posters. What you say?
Na say abato no kosen wujidi pisa mo bedi nkunima
the bia security come be bia police station bia security inti so far so good but omo cross by party office there basa enja omo
na saso na mo so mo nko obo party office nko pe bibia ho.
Oh, Debbie. Hello. Who party office? Yes, you enter your party office. Who say be any party office? Now, but your candidate poster. Look at Sebejai.
So far, Azuka Mungori. All right, and then we have for so far, Azuka, and I'm in any way. But my main call a Chairman Masoud so na yenkotie di ono so ekan ye Chairman Buga in response to Sofo Azuka.
Bia or ajumpa but Azuka the more onyine no ne the more ne Jimmy no so.
Oh debi. That's also asama na okay Masoud. Walai. One mangana de shire mumbari.
Okay, my choice wonim anapa maybe start say me say abatuo awo akotia zongo number 3 no sa police station no uhwe all the zongos no ohona MPP tanya vote pa so mi wo ho na migrant interview oya na mi hu azoka be nimbe bia ofri oba ya no on start attacking Oba ye kura o kasa kura na mini de minim say agro because mini ye di agro ohunu mi no say your mother let me say your mother onim o see me tina radio so me ta bibia me bu ofu na me see your mother so ohunu mi no say hey your mother na me to say hey your father na I ta agro na mini odi so me ya interview no mini di agro na me say oh azoka kura ni ye say your kotamale anka me hasa na azoka fo azoka musu say omuso omumba akotia anka na agro no eyede eno anu na ade amika enu no go see your mother nikura okasa your mother kura me ndidi na tem because onim the man me ndidi azoka tem say akotia ededin takwabia ni ho me mpese media station for media for fa bibi to say Alaji Masaudu na azoka akosi problem awo akotia me mpese ombeka say ntafo ana siremfo eko akotia eko kontakwa tambia santakwa sem na ye ntafo na ye dimba mo so oba ye no the more odidi matem no obia hun clear odidi matem me man didn't attempt you. Let me say, oh, Azoka, you are my brother. Why are you doing that? Oh yeah, to some extent, me say no. Akwawe, why are serious? Time there, me so me bu ofuno. Not knowing that the boys, you know, na ba ku bomachi. Obo e kwa Johnny here. Me bomachi. So, and no.
Me bacho. Ehoni, man yanti ase ni ye. Obo wechi anase obo wasum. Me bacho obo wechi anase obo wasum.
Okay, me no wan say girigid no ya no. Me ko mo say ni video na ansa na me hu say obi bo me. Na me nim say kura odipa no kura bo because girigid na ya no. Me say obi di no saka me.
But the insana or the cow no or the boy was someone I say a he for potting or the boy.
We have video no or Chiramachi no bo masu odina the sabo masu.
That's just say or the few wechi and or the shoe wasum. Oh, okay.
My feet or the boy on Bami, my name straight. Me kura na me huru after almost send me no video, almost send video no mama. Now we are Bema who bomb in other now we journey. I don't know we journey. We are Bema who bomb in one car, Gina. So me, Azoka Yano, and no entity ma put fear and panic to the new patriotic party. Say, young Johnny Fee, Akotia, and I didn't open. I don't know. Only the okay or see, or no back.
Alaji
o me ti so say me na afonyo obekun mi na afonyo awo akutie wa ha
o ka sa asem no
o ka clear the video da ho ka kira afonyo say afonyo kura ye lucky say oba e no anko to afonyo be bia mi wo ha anka sesi a o prepare say o mo ye by election awo afonyo constituency
because matis asem no na sesi a no ye ne di nkomo sesi a e no kire say aya afonyo makins ene ne mrantie eba eye NDC party officer ewa akweti aho ena ombetete omo posters ni sent no ena ma ne bufu ya okeka sansem no
anya na kure so obi eba o party headquarters who afanyo as a majority leader MP na ye by election no to me call NDC party headquarters no to omo poster anya tro na obi esa police for nyina how many police dey wo akotia want to be reporting my police. This is not true. I question omudi. Onim. Omo agenda say. Omo bra ye strongholds no. No mo cause confusion earlier so that it will scare the people so that the people will not come and vote. Because the way omo say your strongholds no the massive conform me no can who have one Jesus here. Conform kasa omo betu about omo 5. Out of the also just stronghold. Time omo person omo ti. So omo person omo who ye stronghold so no go cause confusion. Na conform scare conform na conform to me mba betu aba. So the oya no sanka bidi mi sakano. Na ye ntakwa na honum no na ye deja na conform scared don't to me betu aba na nyame so ya de haye no so me nim se ntakwa na ode ba wo because me no nim se wo ye mebra me no kasa edi agro so aye sa no me ka cha me say oh we are my brother until akwano didn't say coming in. I mean, say no. We confirm when your brother Sam.
Wouldn't because I mean to so many would many so far so kind didn't come on. Or catch me say would only need ye we nuanum. Na mu kra no mu nyina no kra no mu nhya na ntebrofo papa enti mu nyina mu ye nuanum asama oka
no na ko school be na ntebrofo nobody is perfect in English but me ko school me want me certificate me kira the other now no on ko school yes school kwa even local makaranta ayefu yantie sky ekono azoka on ko bida we kramani be on kramasum no kura on tiasie on nipa on nim chi ono de
debut and you know somewhere I buy say we are the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. No mean a position. This position is one of the greatest positions within the rank and file of the New Patriotic Party. And we say wakase Afenyo Markins and check yebeko a by elections on the constituency. Asamwe no asamwe muodu. MPP amanyoku no Sabri. What decision would you be taking as far as statement as Sofo Azuka Ameki? I see it as a threat. Do you also see it as a threat to Afenyo Markins?
Me no kano. Yeah. My declare akoye official complaint our Akotia police station against utterances oka say ono obekumi Afenyo Markin kura ko be hu Afenyo Markin wa ha and ko be ku Afenyo Markin ko be by election another by election the constituency no I've reported it even time the oka no minimum takwano SCA just about 20 minutes na IG baho so IGP kasa baho ama mi ko IGP ho straight ebona amanie so minimum say ma taking the first steps no I say me reporting it to the police station yeah awa akocha na party nim kasa ya ba party nim kasa be juni party nim kasa be si juni NPP as a whole that utterances no now we have point there you know azoka befa so and I point there police for there so much they say I say almost active because so because say obe kunipa ombe ba election in fear there where I asam no mu do where asam no mu do pa say it needs investigation.
All right.
Other person, the national third vice chairman and the minority leader, say NDC national vice chairman say obeku omudie. I say omuye den you investigate it.
All right.
That is the problem now.
Okay, so now we can establish say Afenyo Markins and then Mrantie through this communication ya uni edi wa hasisi another say oman koho say womu kwa kotete NDC candidate in the posters.
Dabi obua dia waya no aye fere man because a community say wo na ba be yes sa fere asem no me so me hwe me age no na me de me respect age no na me so me nim say ebi ntakwa na odi ba and I mean, yes, Azoka, Omodi, me, Ginaho, Nadi, Ginaho, me show me Sabako, 1 minutes, who beg you to go or Nemamo, who Azoka.
Hey, me about also then?
Yes, me say, me show me, me some Azoka say, or beg you to go the dross more.
Hey,
me can't interfere, me, Aquatia, me, say what? Tessiano, first of all. Then him say you know your brothers name them. But
Sasam now so cast say what they want so sofo azoka busisia obedun so egune ho eh na what say man okay Masoud
say violent there yeah change for bed I respect ne ya pese akotia anya din ya pese time bia omuti say oh ntafo kuntakwa chiremfo kuntakwa mu no dinas mu kuntakwa enu na me pese ya din ko abontin sa and a man respect or Casamia Dino.
Where the Obi Baka say, Usha and Jogwa we are, Koso, Hobbiton, Wuni Azoka, one, Muye Edrianum. And secondly, Bebano, Mamma Yukuni Yinemua, and also no Muye, vice chairman of the parties. And again, or say, was also a Nia and a Munina Crasso Montebrofo. So what I say. Now, until Gobadi said, yeah, now, and you said, I was saying, and near the age you know.
Yeah, you say any anti-brofo. The kind of English, me back to that canoe. Azoka cannot speak that kind of English, and Azoka no, I know one educated person. So, you about today. So
Alaji shere mungori. Na enti bibi abeto fo bia na Alaji. Iba. Hey, I'm gonna bad. Gonna na ede say.
For me serious.
Oh, I was on the I don't think I said, bro, back up so like bro.
So I said the kind of English, but no who you find some. The kind of English I made to me I cannot.
Oh. In the next 24 minutes, you're about to remember that counter, no? I shall say other sir, and shadows. So when it's about 10 minutes to 5, Mefa course kakra. I would want to know what our callers out there, our listeners out there also think about what's happening. IGP during the counter, no, I don't want beefy up security.
Which is
you feel it's necessary?
Yeah, very necessary. Very necessary.
Why?
Who say even student elections, and I think one of the places was the Ghana man student elections. Especially Basa national elections, Nooks and USAC, what could be that? It's me a sorting one prof. Ya sorting, you say candidate A, Nedia ha, candidate B, Nedia I say, young Kayum Punim, you wedi,
yeah.
Within the blink of an eye, from near doom light. You doom light at 1 minute. Young son, not A will say, B will say, Unishika. You can't be a real portal. And more student elections, yeah, national elections. Yeah, Honorable Haruna Dusu, Okuja
Blacka, Felix
Ofosukwate, Honorable
John Kumamo,
the Wenyan baby connection, Boama.
It is true. It is.
Omunina student politicians, Omo. And
the tactics
now we use student ina
and one on the national.
Yeah, one perfect no more the national. I think it is a very good call. Say IGP HSA a drew counter now on beefy up security.
Okay.
Once again, Timamu for now muti civilians now muti no. What the albeit in ya se corner koto waba. Oto waba we are trust that the system will work. Easy yene juma. Police for you omojuma. Who need to me be a say Obeka se meme kobo miwe humbai. You can only stand from afar and observe. Kujina baby na hwe no boko. Mesrel okwani e pa osum osintua. Otina party for the 1,000 cities special envelope ma besrao. If you ko hu omo bio. Whether MPP NDC sana da bia omo ye. Enti mesrel say the police for na kan sa no. Omo making sure say omo ma obi amfa moto ni ade emma na omo mekoso basabasa ye bia. So far, so good. You say fairly well. This has been a peaceful election. Of course, you say Nema Bakumbi Sabeba, well expected, but police for no Ahoki car said the Omaya Nemano. So far, so good. I can find power. You making sure say you be winning on a very good note. Whoever wins is a victory for Ghana. That's it.
Madam Sepa Emmanuel, a lecturer UPSC, and I'll tell then can on one case you touch man this year. Yeah, I brand here kama kama. Na you may be a media man and you want to nyante home boy. But no dey ever can offer. But we talk come as dean. I mean way.
Prof, me that say. So far Zoka say the issues with Alhaji Masaud ni say odidi NDC penny for attempt.
Yeah.
Okay. The issue now. Me person me business say NDC penifo na ono so far zoka edwin say Alhaji Masao de dijo omo atem no line no omo nyina aba why na ni pedigree esun omanpenin kufo omanpenin dada kufo pedigree omo nyina we dey yangi President John Mahama ntu nchen because ono why ex
you just have about some 5 minutes to do this.
Don't worry.
Okay, good.
But maybe so answer.
No, I know.
So what it means is that we share the stature of the personality of former President Kufuor. Penimfo na ono zumi say Alhaji Masao de dido mo atem no omo ndru no. Ba ya waha na dela edidi na atem so ye even to not wheelchair ya mo. And then nanado what is obi akobu dala.
So dala ben.
Oh, omo your friend is saying sample Dela Kofi. The sorry.
Minerals Commission.
Baby, I am
going to apologize. Oh, no, maybe.
No, but I'm not talking about that. I said what is so Obia Bono. I'm not talking about. I said whether he's going to apologize.
It's the public affairs of the Minerals Minerals Commission.
What did he not them any appointment no abenye? You see, Kasabi Oha, the fact that Waka who apologize to Christ still interested any effect. Because why would you even in the first place say that? And then come and subsequently apologize.
Okay, so on the beefing up of security during counting by IGP statement or the other.
Oh, because
we don't have too much of a time.
Don't worry, let me use it the way I want. So I'm in 5 minutes.
Okay, but we want you to comment on that.
Don't worry, me the way I want. I'll come to may answer Pepe. Well, this is somebody excuse to misbehave and wajina be so. So if NDC is complaining about insult, as if says. Years back, no, they were holy. You see, when we want to exact you to your own standard, so who they know who did that? It was okay, but another day the be diwa. We if say democracy in Tinama, who did that? No, be ambeche, so be ambebo. Just at time we could have also said, we are going to send people to go and attack him. They let them, but we never did it. NDC is. I'm telling you, with time, the NDC is beginning to paint former President Nanado to be a saint.
All right,
but maybe security. No,
1 minute.
5 minutes in
there. There'll be 1 minute.
Oh, 5 minutes.
Maybe 1 minute.
Security so far, at least NT Bibia Basabasa, with the exception of incident with the Minsheda NT Bibiasa. Me, I've been somebody who has criticized the former IGP. This IGP, at least, I want to expect say he will live up to the billing. Even though Ablekuma Rerano etenti.
So you support this call?
Oh, by close of day now, final mark no, because the process is still ongoing.
Okay, so you support this call?
Which about what?
Beefing up security.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mami now I see. Mami ko Walali engine. Wala. Let me listen to you.
You see, some of the comparisons sometimes, don't really help the discussion. So, they let them apologize. My name say, Mas Wood will also come out to do the same thing there. I didn't see no part, say them and everybody is, it's died down. They say, about from Mukra, you hope you. In this, till this afternoon now, we interview in the crowd, made me feel say, water under the bridge. But with regards to the security issues, Black Maria Bejuma.
Black Maria.
In the time I saw
Bejuma.
Because most of the things like Ima said happened during
the counting
through to collation. Now it's also getting dark. A lot of things happen, in darkness.
Sure.
You are getting the point. I have followed NDC elections since 2008. But I've been in every polling station to date. And we know what happens. So I'm particularly happy about beefing up security.
All right.
The IGP has picked some intelligence. It's a mining town.
Yeah, I think there
are a lot of weapons there.
Sure.
Some were even retrieved before even the elections, about some 10B. So they are aware of the terrain and they know how to prepare and go there. They've done exactly that. By the time the real action, which is the counting and the collation will be going on there, I'm sure patrol will be increased.
All right.
And no stress. And usually by this time now, don't answer P. Or train 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's fine.
Like Ima said, you are going there to observe. There's a distance that you stand to observe. unkodi mema semo wo ho Black Maria wo ho ye peja wa ye we sim there's the other prison crimes about be doing crime. So nobody should go and misbehave there at all because the police is going to handle the situation. Until yes, it's getting towards the end. Last days are dangerous, like we say. Kotuaba, reagina, honor observe it. The kind you take your polling station results, go home quietly, and wait for lawyer to be declared. It's as simple as that.
All right, so I want to do this happy birthday message. Solomon Kwame Ofori, aka Solomon the General Ramos. Solomon Kwame Ofori, aka Solomon the General Ramos, where you're from, your big brother Brimponana Kweku Amponsa of SOMPA 106.5. Once it's your birthday, we wish you happy birthday. God's blessings, God's protection be upon you. Once again, happy birthday to you, Solomon Kwame Ofori, aka Solomon the General. Yeah, that's a pass. Would your birthday now? Wakai Sompa FM for say. We should wish you the best of the day because there's lots of blessings in the kind of wishes that we give over here. But I know, sir, I have another birthday message to do right here. And happy birthday to you, Nanaya Genevieve of Goso. Nanaya Genevieve. Goso Mepacho Udie. And with a happy birthday to you, girl. And I believe it's coming from our brother over here, SARFO Kantanka, to you. So SARFO Kantanka, this is your happy birthday wish, and it's going out to you. Yes, SARFO, it's going out to you, Nanaya Genevieve of Goso. SARFO Kantanka, we hold a birthday message here free. But God bless you, our sister Nanaya Genevieve, and then we wish you all the best in the kind of celebration that you are celebrating today. God's protection and blessing and grace be upon you. But that is what we just have to say in terms of birthday. SARFO Kantanka.
Yeah, the remember the about. Remember the happy birthday.
But before that, remember Tom Adia Kantanka so 5 Ranger boy. Tontina 74 T74. Aye draw a Benjamin so a ball hoban your boy bush in our hoban. And the patos ultimate can then you bring. Na to hold the door crack when your hepatitis wahra bread boom and now you'll be out ball one tentum and I am crew ukasa nipamu and I say Pampana Bano enya dia eye kaba me pacho bomo na kope Tontina 74 obi otenaka emuchere kakra na ne nanse atata me pacho bomo den pa na kope Tontina 74 and when beka wasema ma edini a T74 it's an immune system booster bomo den na kope na kai say edroi Food and Drugs Authority for Ajatum T74 would do the magic for you. Yare kwankra do kwache. Opeso jehu. Now jehu ntam dia. Aya T74. Mpacho yo ba na wa fefru. Anasa wo makoda no fo a embomodin emfe enu medro ibi. Na akoda onye ndi 12 years so na droi onumbi. T74 open a dudru mu a 02460 73498. Again 050-162-8931. We do any trade draw stuff pharmacy shop here idea on Sabeka. Electroland Ghana Limited. They've been with us since day one. Me patrol to electronics. Aye papa. Aye durable. I be cherry ya mau. Type be a ope brand be a ope. Kai say Dino aye Electroland Ghana Limited. Samsung brands ho, media brands, Nasco brands ho. That was a TV, air conditioning, fridges, washing machines, kettles, rice cookers, microwaves, blenders now here. Electroland Ghana Limited will do your answer for you. Now do we bomodin na ko na ko to mo electronics na. You have 15% discount. Any a check the attachment. Womu wo aye main Kumasi station. Be on the back side the hwe no. Saso na Kumasi, wo Kasi Junction, Tech Junction and crying. Omo Dental Barrier, Dantuman Roundabout, Industrial Area. Be on the Melcom Plus and the hwe no. Sunyani Mankasim Cape Coast Takrade. Anytime they are over there. Nakai say Medima Full Herbal Center. Dr. Time Daso, Dr. Time Daso. Yeah, Dr. Time Daso, one no yare no the fun feature or better the teddy about. Me pato say you do your stroke ya de usisi na ya ujonku say yes sichire ya de be ma junso ya na wo so ujunso ne mba papa ana moja broso ana wahra ne ubrebo titiriu emma no mpeso mo fefru a o mo ya efru ne ma meme bi so wo ho a o mo ade ne kra na me ka say kra wo ti ase ade ne nhyɛ damfa o pese jejine mu a me pato bomode na fa wani kire Bidimafo Herbal Center for hwede cha kwan ho on crime pokuase maira na so be from 0244 774282 or 0500 7272215 kumase so be hu omo ebuakwa agogo bia ne Gama school dey hwede bo. The Lord is our ultimate healer. Na Lexer Company Limited for so abomoding and the toothpaste abedwaman so toothpaste benga me pato yas toothpaste me pato ya toothpaste in the brush there come pa ni mienu de twetwe si anopa na enwumre a so enumbe yopo omo a na nse ho de asra egu omo sen ase no ama omo sen ne se kakra ti bomoding pa na kope yard toothpaste and the brush e beka wasem pa en crying obetimi afro mo 050 161 9588 kuma say 050 1390338 say ye kwa ahmaro so na ye ne tiefo edi enkomo sisi a me pato 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay, me patrol maintaining key. I'm in Fakolari.
Problem for what in Candy.
I be patrol me unka.
Jo unka me sum or rubon kwesi buating life. From Canterbury to market. Accra.
Canterbury to it say me patrol it you.
Jo, that ready. Every no. And the body tell I'm a mini of this baby. But about commission. Oba woman organizer was fat. The Canterbury to ever national chairman was fat. Brian Champon or no. And then get the sofa to about number. Oh my goodness, on one echo. And this water and five above. Mobile swan you may papa. I got your bad election, but you have not marked my wife. And come out from Boston, come in quite sorry. Then this is what you didn't go to. Let's think about some Boston, come in quite sorry. Don't buy your photo, they didn't know where. I'm buying photo. Or try to go for your beautiful here. Or because of one kind. I'm buying photo.
Medasi Pastor Benjamin, so I'm talking to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yes, sir. Me pato wana mene ka say.
We are wow, this is a coffee phobia cantamanto.
Hey, no the money first. Me pato it you.
Yo, the guy, my more about Lamentia, Dr. Brown, Etapo, incoming flag bearer, MPP. That's a good answer with Tiano. And a Safia Mohammed, incoming woman, as I can come with. Prof. I'll send our name Azoka Kasan.
Yeah.
Azoka or a cremoni or a penny, but a video. Say Azoka, you are no Prof. With Dunyami or Hataso. Say me a coffee apartment bonus in the
I Debbie, I coffee man Casa, oh papa. Now, over papa soon. As I said, men kakra, menka.
Okay, what about your side? So we have video now. I be our year. Alaji Mugabukana, Alaji Mugab, and Yabotrema and Pa. And to make us out. As also old town process, and when you're more, I want a near face. That's how hold you know. Mine so as so watching or with my boat out. But when you have a I have a death of Gabugaka, a stronghold, but empty body you should start in the Naka, and people body man and trouble. They are the same say, abandon quite a yellow. Not MPP Kunina, no only other entity in a country. You have to Abama, Opia, Nabawa, Aben, and you have to press that. Because Sabiano, I am contemplating true.
All right.
Because maybe Obiti say, Mutaka, Swafia. The time we are at what you no opposition, and the moment Chata and throw it and throw Amapa in Apatiani, I did that.
Medase Pastor Benjamin so 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Me pacho wana menene ka say.
We unia Felix Bell in kwa yilo kobo.
Me pacho me da say it you.
Yo, na maliko nyumrene jumatamu ye.
One man appointed the incoming flag bearer, Honorable Kennedy Compre Conhinia Japan. Now, Felix Guatemala West, incoming first vice. Maybe a friend IGP kind. What is the IGP or a
oh, sir.
Papa Pepe, you know.
Okay. But you know, Kawasam.
Then I send your guys a big country in this one. And Burma security now died, you know. Every friend and so on, and yes, then you bear your TV, you know, and Kofa, our dog, you pass great. And you know, opening yourself. And Maujima, na Ebusiano, any Bubanya, you could afford to have any Mubanya.
So you can also call and be a part of the show now. 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Maybe Udini baby Okasa free.
Me, I want to send you the guy.
Me hoye pa na Okasa free.
Yo, me diane free from Casafrican Command, bro.
Hey, yo, me patriote you.
Yo, I mean, Dr. Brian Champon. One about to Frank MPP. Now, I have a power next year and this is 2 years or more. When I saw more year force. Yo, Prof. Kakra made a mechanic there. Mine now only win Koyasano. Yet I have one assistant. 1 month, but Prof. At times, we are not once and 12 for me. Quite the enemy team we are proud. Because Obitimika Sembi. Asem no senya aka ebi abeta so asem aka de we dia twesano na we hey what you say o say say pa say o busa na sembi say wo kan sembi ono kan sembi so say akwoso ni mu a obeju so gu no ho sira na upushi no say papa o say upushi no o ese du ho no mu a wo bo ho na no ani kasa no no akoka sembi e bia mfata na akomo oni pani program o say the assembly there. Until you know me, you can't better me cut was say, yes, when you are market here for no. Then you say, a memo, politics on a nada, you were Mahama, and then go for it, and almost Wabama, President Osiso, and Pina, San Omanian Puntuno, and we wouldn't say nada, or 2 man, 1 to Amano, Dobeniano, and 1 Abenya. You will see to get Jabba what Ghana had say, so we MP now went to me and yet put to do my bottom now say what by government in Yabemwa and we have not the demand present here MP and the president were on mono.
Yo, so let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Maybe I don't want to in the Cassie.
Dr. Maxwell, and German South Trouble.
Maxwell, German South Trouble. Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I try it you.
You are candidate to get more consistency.
Maybe I see it you.
Maybe I celebrate me. My main fan check is in where they Mabunu United. So you are Canadian in Japan. Say, which you have a flag bearer. I'm an MPP now. You need that so as I forget you. Maybe the other person in this answer, anti Brutam Pa Nagana. You don't answer say. They do a battle that young Kiffy, Beer, a war, battle machine. Oh, you are in summer, a sea was here, you know. I say, sorry, now, yeah, and this is for you, and appointed IGP. But once a man, the problem can say, our Ghana. I just said, oh, my God, over here, and man come. What I say? And you say, I'm saying, let's say, IGP, I'm funny, and see for my, or more than about 1 and I say, good anybody, our Ghana. Mamma, I'm getting the seat, that's it.
Pass over Benjamin, so there's another caller here. Let's see if we can engage the caller. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, evening.
Maybe I told you, we didn't baby Okasa free.
We did Paul.
All right, Paul Techiman, patriote you.
Mr. Kutia. Mr. Kutia say, Omoma Bidianya Breu. And I say, both MPP. And this new MPP now say, Omombre, when you say, Orinia, Empa, bi meka mo enso bi meka ho ena se wulu susu a enso bi meka ye wa ye nti e tre mo asa ba ajobre o bembre mo na abato na NBA.
All right, me da se pass over Jumedi no so 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening. Me pato ayo na ehina akase free.
Me pato Paul St. John's.
Paul St. John's me pato eti
na ye ma me akoso agomechia ososo.
Ojo so.
Me kan say. Na abato a adane ntokwa ya na ye mesere. Ye nua ba ko kan ye no. Ibia ni wa obi betima yewu. No mo ko ntokwa. No uko a owuka. Ibia ni wa aban wa ben edukan na no ya asa omutimi nya hwe ti yesere yenu anu se omunya abato ho ntokwa no nya hwe mesere sompa mo sports no mra ye twen mo wai achew
yo me bacho sports no ebeba wai ye da se pass wo so wakai na wodwen ho adwen pa but we have another caller here let's talk to the caller okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yes, sir. Beba cho dini baby akase free.
I was saying in Kranzan.
Or say in Kranzan patro you.
Minim say would the GTech for our license in it me use Prof for that na and person baba too.
They be Prof radio bit we use. Yenko.
Very well. Mechia apam se ne we ahoka for ni nyina. Prof, ma tamba akope. Abofo na omko se Sodom ni Gomorrah no omo ntiase bi man na omo wu Ghana de abato NDC ni MPP abofo no ba no mbe pepa ye nyina ye kwa senka na ya somadwe abakọ kire wadwene keke pa okokromoti kọto aba na yi nipa awopẹ eno se da bia kayo adenti ya dwene na nyame de ma ye na tukwan ana just simple exercise another bia de wo Ghana sa go and vote keke Prof
Midase pass over mami fa call away. Hello, good evening.
Star.
Na eti say.
Oh, minia. O ankwa wa dey now.
O ankwa wa dey now.
Me do nyankopon.
Na me pacho wana me ne ka say.
Me pacho me ni yawoza me first so beti me afre me debu.
Oh, Yahuza.
Yeah, me bra.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it.
Why you Juma Ajazirada?
Oh, David.
Minia, onu se me. My brother me boy na radio and a meeting. Radio na menum, radio na mijare. Na in fact, me share quality se wo mu ade wa usi eye radio Juma na. One day who honor CNN Fato SARFO.
Amen. Amen.
Oh yeah, dear. Nyamisha management no.
Yet you.
Omomo mo enu ko. Minia nia Ghana ye na ye hia ne oniado. Ghana ne hia ne se be kan wabum se praye. Ese mpembu se fenuma no tubom an edifi. Enti se ye kwato aba na sebi pendi asa tumia obi penti uye MP asabi una o shemra yesi no de chiro so di kan konante mese ndani afonyo maki ya wakotia ono ebe after election example photo safre no anamo tunu sebi ndanka tension ba confusion this year anka papa na ede aba wa so tumi ko to obi posters eni shen nda sundia wakotia obiasi asunde koso nkwa wo ba pressure confusion wo de aba kana onipa ba ko fo dide wo fa jana papa no oje o ga unse titi piti won pefu se titeu kelo sima no suru so wa hwe ne anyame bebre no wafe misrapa
me dase pass over
friend now ne nkasa so wo nyasa wo adwumu do why
me dase hello good evening me ba to wana me ne ka say
so bright ne amekasa fra abusoka
bright abusoka wada man patrol you
na enyime nyame insha pa my tio na wabo ejuma
me dase
Ghana odo ntino
Nyame enko to am bo ba no ishira o papa.
Amen.
Wonim abato on ya adwinkyerɛ ni point the to aba na bataba yesi o je de ye mpenifo mienu ye aye NDC vice chairman any MPP vice chairman de akosu ewa akosia no say na ye condemn enya dipa se ebia ne bakra titiri hu na o hwe saa de we a fere kese edema ne ba no nti ye mpenifo ehu se mpenifo bebre anase ye nkola no hwe mo edi ato anamo bi se be kokoto aba na mpenifo minu we mu gina public na mo ku na mo ye nioma bia ense fata bia omo ho ne ba bia ni ho no mo ne ba bia endi omo eti se ya mpa se omo bo afenyo market eko NDC office eko titi processor fa sunje mba enya de pa na okoye ye no anu so se obi mfamma enhye nisim na okoye de ense fata ye pa sunje e wo man no mo
medase asa wakasa che obi so gina ikiri enti no nyame nkoso anhira se oba adwumedie no so. Thank you so much. Hello, good evening. Okay, also I drop on the line no until let's think about let's see, he's back on the line. Hello, good evening.
Hi everyone.
Me bacho wana me nende kase.
I'm your teachman.
I'm your teachman bacho 80 you.
Boy about line here.
Me da say.
I wouldn't count. No morning dia attend. Na the question we will say. Akotia that say you. Efre abisia form wo na say monfa nyado enye yatu ya hey that you akotia wa nko yo bi ayaka die ananye ma bi enfata akina utimi hwene ni utimi konho utimi stress omo ba ko tie nyina say omo ye nyama ye ni say okina edeka che ye bi na ko ye boni a uche na dia no bitima atake no abasa na wan ka wa printing e ni aye fa ko die ye na aye ni ko e tia na bye bye.
All right, so me that say pass over Jumedi, so you can also call and be a part of the show. 0260 196064 0260 196065. Winning numbers I'll be free and check your best storage Jumedi, so Akosia Ago Abwaje Babetanase or no now manager na counter no any who ensem no na and also that to January live on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But let's talk to this caller right here. Hello, good evening. Baby, I told Nini baby Okasa free. Baby, I told Uso Okasa free. All right, if I trade you. But friend, as a radio on China, my radio no so no volume no was so right and ya dear obeti and can't you know. Let's see. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
But didn't baby Okasa free.
So within the Abang, the Casa Free Kitchen.
All right, I buy me about 80 you.
And from the Asama can say they say Ghana. Yeah, Mabuno. Yenye biyo abatu edita chief azoka ene masawu dide no entimi ti san obi agen e wa abatu a obeto no ne tere se akotiafo ne omo pe e no omo be kire demo yesu eguso aye monitor nema ye pese wo se ye MPP ye pe fo na ma adre se omo de kiwu e de amaba omia no ye de carry ntromo na executives not that so munina don't what do we ba our control ever and what you can Japan so ever and you catch your more grassroots and yeah muti so on the course wadi dadana team dadana edi mugwe potona bana ye chamo kuni ya minyajuma.
Beso me that say pass over ready and so let's see, I think we have to talk about just some two calls and then end the section right here. 0260 1960-640260 1960-65. These are the numbers are phrases. So, but let's see. Let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. All right, line I drop. You can also call right now. Let's see. There are two callers here, but let's deal with this one first. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Bebato wana menene kasai.
Aja Emmanuel Brekum.
Brekum. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Bebato ye why?
Ghana de in English asunji. But every party bibia ba asunje ni here. Any mpuntu any here. So wo ne wa beka no obeye. Ena ye be. Na be se mebo oba na wanya kena obeko. Ndi Ghana mpemfo e premium fantu omo fe. Nye de hu abatu. Nye fe na beda de ni atranse. Ye na nan to ati ni MPP NDC. Ena etwam. The essence of the year mapa de eren. Amaye. Tibe de mempa ba me bo ne se akoti aba no e de asunje de ere. Ebeba. Na na me hwehwe no azade ni so mfa nyeme.
Yes, we had us pass over Jumediano. So let's talk to this caller right now. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Bebato Dini baby okasa free.
Okay, we didn't Philip because I speak to you.
All right, so Philip Techiman, let's hear you. Bebato Ubeng radio. My radio no ko yes okasa here until.
This number is here on the nka.
Bebato Philip medase but upeso baso but so let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Bebato wana menene kasai.
Aja Prof Abotchie Dennis in Nkransa.
Dennis Nkransa Bebato etio.
Yo Prof ayi idea wa gba juma pa only colleagues o mo amudi kan ba ko yin na de mo aye juma so wo so pa e. Ya me o shira mu bibre.
Amen.
Yesire asun Jesu e ma ko tia sese nyamenti akadon hiri ka na juma di nyina ba wiye. Ya bo nyamenti pa se America credit akai o man nko so nya su bia konko se na wiye. Onde nimye wa yinu dada na yemi pa dia ya prepare di keke. Nyamedi oni ni ka wa di ka yinu dada. Onko so ambo ya ho ba na mbere no enko asiwie ni mai.
All right, yeah, that's a pass over by Jumediano. So let's see if there's a caller here. You can also call 0260 1960 640260 196065. You can call and then put your submission across. Bibi achire wa adwen akwetia. Odwen say MPP na bedi nkunima na say NDC na bedi nkunima na the police force so kan so no. Also adwen chire e wo hono de saying. Let's hear you talk. Let's hear you speak. But the NDC ye be call back to akwetia. Ye reporter ho ye no be kwa kodi nkomo. But the mami bra Walali nchen Walali. What if say you talk about the na NDC ending kunimi? How will you receive the message?
Well, that's an impossibility.
It's an impossibility.
Yeah, perish the thought. I mean, I know the worker NDC for a year work with here. And we've sent the message down to Akwetia for Mamatia say it's in our best interest. So I'm my lawyer. I your my name and now put my name of parliament. In the current circumstance. So I am, nothing can convince me otherwise, if you ask me. Lawyer is going to win.
All right, may I say?
In the unlikely event.
Yes.
And perish the thought. Akwetia would have still decided anyway. But I am convinced. Said lawyer is going to represent parliament.
May I say? But I don't know if we'd have to go to Akwetia before I come to this too. My main comrade, my uncle Akwetia Anambra. My uncle Akwetia Anambra. Because you see, I say we want to ask if Manford has that the line more to Abana and I say at we now we must start counting. So let's find out from them. I work with you, but I'm not going to pick any calls again because Today we gave you good 20 minutes, and then we have interacted with you. We want to say, sir, yes, for God and country, our home modebia. No number a lines on the tomb. Numbers to call, 0260 196064 0260 196065. Yeah, kwa hamano sisi ya na yeni abema upon chichiku na yeneno akwakowi. Upon chichiku yema kwa baba for God and country subio.
Mejo so bema prof.
Na bibi abokode.
Prof yeguso.
Aha, se de abatu no. Ye de aba na ewie yi ana se bi hu da so gina line mo omoto aba.
Ya wie. Dia ye a mi gina ha no de. Abatu ni nyina jato awie. Omo di line mu nyina ato aba no. Awie ama ni ebroni friend sorting eno ene ade a ekoso.
And say the obu ye sorting. We pacho abusu afo bu ko ye Facebook wala pictures ne bi ho. Sabre o ma start sorting no. Ntino bu timse obi dia ekufu, obi dia efia. Ntino say sorting no. Bia be na wo sisi a wo mo eye sorting no.
Me wo eye Wodua Asamanka say Odan Accra station. Aha no mu say ena me wo na eye 2 sentence ena ewo eye aha no mu say.
And we are told say IGP say during the sorting encounter no or maybe beef up the security. Say security sabre one who say they are beefed up.
Well, when you are posted for I can't pity a die edikan ebepum sabre say eba abato ya ebekoso ewo eye akwetie Bambo eya dia omafa eti omani so se omo ba wiata so na omasha ma bibia etimi atoto na afam enu nti bambo de aposifo aya de fiti eda edikan eba be du sabre ya yato aba no edi ewie nti bambo de sesi ekura meka sai ekura no bambo a ewo eye sorting ni mu no enye bambo ketwa because initially no more the tank say omo behwe aboa amasumbi etimi aba asumbi ni de no na etimi aba no na in terms of say abambofo no omaho keka ewo soro no eno nso eya de bia a police fo no etimi abo mo homodi mo yie pa te say no isache kakra bam no che say a police fo na mo bebo ban eye anopa brain mu no no kwasem ni eye enwumre mu no isache ya bam ama the say no woman ba womo bo eye sort no ho ban no nwo ma fade ene se ne o ma hyehyɛ mo ho na menya sure say so obi ba be di bone ewo abato no kenkan yi mu a omo the best fair no because apostifo de kan aka say omo hwɛ aboa ma abato yi aye abato a ebekyɛn eye abato a yato ye by election nyina emu nti eno ene eye nia apostifo ebo homodin in terms of security.
Oh, okay. Na say apostifo a wo mo aba hosisi ade ye betimi aka ne pefe say sa apostifo ne de etuo ne niama ekra omo
kutabi
omo kura etuo ho
omo kutatuo ana etuo ne nyɛ te sɛ ne ɛsɛn omo ho kɛkɛ obi ekuta why aggressive to send you sabi or ready for battle no well and omo nyina kuta no omo de akyerɛ fam nti ne gidi se bibi de pepra omo de petam na su but ni nyina mu no asumdue ene bambo eno ene mo bota ekese a abambofo anasa posifo yi wo mu etu afa ho
na se no enti counter ne de omo nya nhase sorting nkwa na boda so gusu.
Yes, they say the sorting na any idea omo eye. Na kakra metimi aka e dey afa ho no eye in central fo a ibetimi nya access abwawura collation center ho no. No kwasem ni e be ye din because electoral commission MBM aman central fo an binum enya access enko collation center ho. In shishem in kra ya tene say electoral commission for say omo behia eye nipa kuma bi ɛyɛ nsɛntwerɛfo a ɔmo ne feel sɛ ɔmo pɛ ɛna ɛbɛkɔ hɔ a ɔmo dodoɔ bɛyɛ 16 pɛ.
Debio nyabotre mami ɔmo dodoɔ yɛ 15 pɛ. 16 pɛ. Ɛno saa hyehyɛ no electoral commission for ɛna ɛde saa hyehyɛ no bɛtu dwa anaasɛ apolisifoɔ na ɛde saa hyehyɛ no bɛtu dwa.
Prof, adeɛ baako a ahomete ɛne mmɔbɔ ne sɛ yɛtumi abɔ mmɔden ayɛ adwuma fiti anɔpa bɛpem saa bere na afei dwumadie no awieyɛ yɛntumi nya access nkɔ hɔ. Ɛyɛ electoral commission foɔ ɔmo nhyehyɛeɛ ɛntra me ne ɛyɛ Bosman Asare yɛwura di nkɔmmɔ ɛfa ɛyɛ accreditation ɔde to dwa kyɛ mu sɛ national ɛndi dwumadie no ɛyɛ region nti ɔmo da adi ɛde ma ɛyɛ regional ɛyɛ GJ ɛna ɔmo ɛyɛ ɛne regional electoral commission ɛna ɔmo hwɛ toto saa nneɛma no yɛbɛpie mu anɔpɛ yi a yɛkyin for accreditation no nkrato a GJ ɛde ɛman yɛwura ampem ɔno na ɔyɛ regional chairman ɛde to dwa mpo kyerɛ sɛ nokwasɛm nie electoral commission for accreditation ɔmo de bae ɛyɛ tiawa ɛno no ɛnhyɛ da no so but collation room hɔnom no ɛno ne adeɛ a ɔmo twɛn sɛ ɔmo nsa ɛbɛtumi aka ɛde afi ɛyɛ nkran nti ne yɛhwɛ anim asa anka nyɛ bia mpokura ɔno kɔ ayɛ sɛ ɛba na ba bedu a obɛhu kwan obɛtumi afa so a sɛ bia media house baako yɛ bia ɔno nko agye 5 accreditation ɛde awura collation room a ɔbɛhwɛ na nka watete so ebia ɔbɛgye 5 ano ama o 2 sɛ ne bɛyɛ a afoforo a wɔakyire ne so nsa bɛtumi aka bie wɔse wɔtwɛn yɛ ma yɛwura Bosman baayɛ a wɔno ankasa na ɛkyekyɛ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ collation center hɔ na Prof collation center no kora ansa wobɛtumi anya access awura collation center hɔ no wobɛtra aposifoɔ barrier mienu ansa na wetumi awura hɔ nti no first one no ɔmo de list no ɛdi kan de ama ɔmo nti sɛ wodi nka ho bi a ɛmfa ne accreditation ekuta wontumi nwura hɔ ansa na wokɔpie mu wɔ second barrier nso a wodi nka ho bi a ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɔmo betumi ama awura hɔ nti no sɛ no nsɛntwerɛfoɔ adeɛ a yɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ na nea yɛbɛtumi abɔ yɛn ho mmɔden ɛwɔ ho ɛne sɛ nea yɛbɛsi bia ne yɛmfa nka me yɛtiefoɔ.
Okay, so maame mbisa sɛ menim sɛ ɛdeɛ a nipa du nsia na wɔbɛwura dɛm hɔ no ɔpɔn kyekyeku ɛbɛka ho bi na ɛho amanneɛ no na wode aba bɛbɔ yɛn na sɛsei no amanyɔfoɔ no ɔmo wɔ hɔ no NDC MPP sɛsei no wohwɛ ɔmo a wɔmo ti bia no sɛ na ɛteɛ asɛ ebi abɔhu kakra asɛ shaking bi kakra wɔ ebi mu ara
nokwasɛm ne ɛberɛ a yɛdi kan di nkɔmmɔ ewie first one no ɛbɛtom saa bere nokwasɛm ne sɛ m'ani hyee MPP mpanifoɔ biara ɛwɔ ɛyɛ collation centers anaasɛ bi a polling stations a yɛto aba yi m'ani hyee obiara mebɔ mpɛmpɛn kɔsra me nuanom a ɔmo ɛyɛ akwatia ɛne ɔmo di ho nkɔmmɔ ɔmo so sɛ saa na yɛhu yɛn no ɛyɛ yɛn nuanom NDC foɔ a wɔn ɛne ɛyɛ mpanifoɔ edi ɔmo anim a wɔn nyinaa Pablo nom ɛne Solomon Kansa nom ɛne national executive ne bi ɛba a ɛyɛ hɔnom a ɛhɔ ɛna kyerɛ sɛ wɔn nyinaa ɛwɔ ti yɛbisa sɛ MPP foɔ no ɔmo wɔ he na bi no ɔmo wɔ he ebi nso a na ɔmo so no ɔmo wɔ different place but anka menim sɛ bra so sɛ yɛba aba bɛ mounti na yɛba bɛ kinkan deɛ anka wei wɔ ha anka wei nso wɔ ha na yɛnhwɛ but nkrato so yɛn nsa ka ne kyerɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ ɛyɛ biayɛ baako te sɛ akwatia ɛyɛ biayɛ ɔmo to aba na nokwasɛm nie tension wɔ hɔ papapapapapapapapa
ɛhefa na woka na asɛmi
meka akwatia station hɔ nom nti ɛnura no koraa no nhwehwɛmu kakra ɛtumi yɛ ne kyerɛ sɛ ɔma mount ɛyɛ cameras yi a yɛde ne ho tie yi CCTV cameras ni bi na ɔmode amount nti kyerɛ sɛ ɔfo sɛ bi a obi fie ɛne so ɔma ma nso bi wɔ hɔ ɛyɛ no nso no ɔmo monitor ɛno no yɛ baako ɛna buodua nso biayɛ a wɔsɛ sie ɛno nso ɛka ho bi ɔma mounted fresh CCTV ɛno nso ɔmo monitor wɔn nti no ɛkama ɛte sɛ this particular election apart from say yɛfi ase a timamufoɔ ɛka sɛ bi ɔmo bɛkɔ akɔto ebinom kɔto ebinom akɔto yi tension ɛwɔ kurom prof tension ɛwɔ kurom nti ɛnyɛ nwanwa sɛ yɛto aba ne wie na turn out ɛba fam a ɛnyɛ nwanwa.
All right, upon Checheku, the Ebeka Chion say hwɛ ho so yie ɛma yɛn na we need you alive baby a ofi say pinchen be wo no emfa ho nkɔgye brefie wate brefie na enye wa adwen say news renti no wo bɛkɔ akɔpɛ baby a ɛni kwan sɛ wokɔ ɔbɔn Checheku mesrɛ me pɛ wasɛm ba wo ne sɛ me feel wo yɛ brutal wo yɛ solid wo yɛ fantastic me so me ya da pa mate me da se pa. All right, Mauli Olali, what's a chat? Quick one, 1 minute. Yes, sorry,
I'm just ending on the same note, just ending. Of course, in Yanum so some of my brothers from Dominico Abenya Anthony, Samson, helping the party there. They should also protect themselves. In him say police for a beef up Bambone dear, Beko Edimar. And we are only hoping. Yakokanya ban. Not the fire, no afa, wafa, no. I am a pensua, lawyer, Ebefa, and home pioneer.
Ima, you call what's a chatter.
Prof.
Yes.
You say what can come.
Can come. What it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Me that's
BBS. Prof. Not my birthday no.
Ah, me pacho birthday no.
What that Roma?
Na Debbie. What's an house ana? Pacho my birthday way. Hey, na me birthday si. Me so one guy me.
Some of you say we TV.
Debbie pacho. Pacho mami hi. Mami hi bio. Era safu kantanka so de. Ni dia na me de to so and one share. And one share. Mami hi.
Mama hi is here.
Mami share. Yay. Oh, Mr. Eric, me pacho ewe yede beto so me pacho mon fanto so mami Mr. Eric Abro or Bank of Ghana. Mr. Eric Abro also ya de unka Mr. Eric Abro. Eric Abro, is it Abro or Abro? Eric Abro, wa yejuma ewo Bank of Ghana. Na said the enhyehyere no ende eye na awoda enti eye ura Eric Abro wo Bank of Ghana every unua bema Emmanuel. Yeah, Emmanuel. Enti me hwe se omode beto so na my man so na masori a because we dey ye mam we obi ankasa bio. Ye we ankasa. Sir. Now picture the Jesus Christ. Ima the I was some year. We the best. With the best. Every time they asa Debbie. Pacho maminya have birthday. Maminya birthday. I mean sorry. Maminya time call Akosiago Abwaje. Aka 2 minutes. Mr. Eric Abro. Wayejuma ewo Bank of Ghana and then na wawoda and then na water. That's we steam it too much. But happy birthday to Nyamisro.
Nyamisro ne kuno.
Nyamisro ne kuno. Ima kebibi channel. Ima kebibi channel.
Your friend opinion.
Okay.
Or you'll be a YM mentor from since 2020, and he's a very fantastic man. Or Brennan Huase, or sharing the status. They said or Brennan Huase no independent kita hua. Niyemuye senior. And then the American say Yankopo Unsha Uncle Swa MB Apuna Kesia man Wintiminian Markesia. We love you so much. This is coming from all the real men.
Yeah.
Yes, Yankopo Unsha.
Sure. And SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Amasama Yeko, quick one. Amasama, if you don't
say
yes.
Al Jazeera and BBC. All right,
so thank you so much, Ebusia, for your friend me. Kobla Abotchie, aka Prof. Yere Jumadi NSC. Akosia Ago Aboaje. Tenase. Na counting and the rest, not what the Abrem.